Wagwan ENT.
When he made a song and him body shot gone with two of him toe. Where is him out and him light?
All the girls, I'm sorry for some blood clots out in there. A black cat, there's a cross is sitting.
Black cat big gun link punking out a door.
Stand up!
Gonna make some.
You're a different blood clots, man.
Nah. Hey, hear me now. Some boy if you know so right now we them black cat. I wanna take no fucking face.
First off, now I'm on the fire, keep large up the house.
New friend. Hear me now.
Jones,
you know so right now
Bentley.
long time way.
I'll just put them large up.
When I chat to them boy there's some fussy friends. These are Christian just what say bond them. Hey, hear me now. Look come on. So give it up.
Hear what take place.
Even though you don't know so right now this a blood black cat. No face to chat.
What you going on now? Come on, sound class. What them there? Where you on there? Where you on there? Yo.
Nah. Certain.
What you like tell them there? All the man who fuck pussy hard. What you like Batman and fire? Yo.
Hey. Certain boy. We no want no friend from them. I pussy them, a big pussy them. Think me what you know. And black cat go find out. I pussy them, a big pussy them.
Certain girl.
We no want no
pussy from them.
I pussy them, a big pussy them.
I'll show you something massive. I've done this pussy. I'm going to put on Pantag.
And Pantago.
Yeah.
Fire.
Are you ready? Bomb clock in there. Are you ready?
Joe, say them a bad man, where is them bad man knowledge? Seems like them a them a keep up.
Pull up, bomb clots. Wreck. I got tall man now was large up. Hey, me say, keep me comfy food, you know.
So when the trumpet sound, so now why you never listen?
A full time for the whole world knows I'm the real blood clot killer.
Well, who want to get them and come
tell you something.
You want when the trumpet sound, you miss a shot. Not tell we I shine and not listen. You cause when it rebound. This black cat and me put on your coffin. I'm gonna say
I'm done this pussy.
I'm gonna say black cat, I'm gonna say you, I'm gonna say black cat, big cat. Kick it, I'm gonna say watch on. I'm gonna say kill us.
Oh, yeah!
All the man say boy can't body up 2 and a year.
I'm a fool.
No boy!
Joe, say them a bad man, where is them bad man knowledge? Seems like them a go to a bad sound college. Their arms office, them a keep up in the village. Them a some more
meal porridge.
Joe,
we have that blood clot.
Bad like them want go to.
If you don't want more cable, we have it all again. And we have the DJ career in.
We see how them love, we see how them like, and righteousness.
A 49 tune now one.
We see how
in your mash up the rascal, listen to
corruption of them want be hype. Right, see how them love, we see how them like, and righteousness.
Different tune no Pantag.
Hey, see how
we shut them there.
We see how them like. Hey, Pantag, them a say them a bad man. So, say them a bad man, but them a big mouth and massive. Only know people run and style man as fussy. Style man as fussy, that mean you fuck matchy. Long time we hear.
You see tune not yet? Wait till let me go part come now. Listen for your tune.
Them see wanna fuck them in a them
body.
Them see wanna make them suck them cocky.
Katarock go suck your mama. You gonna lock off your ass.
This ones how we find out them a fluffy. Them not original, they say them always copy. Joe, run come stand up man. See the fire finger, see the fire man. Let me see the hand them way a bun body man. Hold on. Let me see the foot them way a kick body man. Let me see the foot them way a kick the hand.
Burn out some children, burn out them blood clot belly.
Let me see the weak, let me see the strong, let me see the sharp, let me see the long, let me see.
Black cat has done this one slow. Black cat, put them a come a box like the Bulls of Chicago.
Pull up, Bumbuckler, wreck. Done some boy carry you see. First off, I know.
This junkie must be so overseas monkey. She give look like the Bulls of Chicago.
Yo, yeah, but come for them. Hey, see if I still a trophy there. More sit in the middle, yes, I know.
Hey, yo!
Cause look more when all tune start bite. Nobody have all tune like Black Cat and blood clots.
Black cat, put them a come a box like the Bulls of Chicago. But sit down a man, now one of them sound.
Chicago. Where the mother says like a soap and Tawago. Them plating at them in Tago. They check them a book so like the Bulls of Chicago. From Jordan retire, they clap like Tago. Where the mother says.
You know they come to New York for you, see? You come to rock, baby. Hold on.
We sound them jungle. Dr. Lantern Black right now. Give them
You watch them place now.
And the righteousness cannot be forgotten and the glory cannot be blotted out. Hey, white flesh, I tell them you are good. I'm on a mission, me say what is my purpose? To see the wicked son burn up. You again. On a mission, me say what is my purpose? To see the youth them a live up. You again.
All who never suck pussy from the man and another intention, 2 and a year.
Burn up. You again. On a mission, me say what is my purpose? Well, pan off, we go step up. Who fi get fuck up? I go get fuck up. Who fi get burn up? I go get burn up. Who fi get blood up?
When New York DJ there, when the rascal DJ there,
when you boom number one.
when New York,
I couldn't block you, them a bada. Try to
I'm a DJ, Chuck Fender, Quinta Jones. You can't have a blood classic when you walk that Warland. You feel squeeze up like pussy. Hear that tune now? Wreck up your blood clot.
And a big bad black shot just like that.
I'll show you something. Okay, large up.
And this one just come back and say,
Hey, you can start this grace and bomber clot yet. Hold on.
yo,
That's first round this.
black shot, yo, cutlass.
New York, Carlo Red Panther, 2 and 9 blood clot here.
And when you boom
2 and 9
number
here.
one.
When it light.
I couldn't block you, them a bada. Prophetess the real mother. To them say open to step up the ladder. Happy to some son we go stuck out the mother. So when we preach for recorder that to crash them neck like elastic. We come to melt up the city like plastic. Them get me vexed, see they know them get me drastic. With them pop like the one bombastic. So make me see a dirty nigga, I go suck this. The man fear them, no one give you not just.
Katarock, you can't manage black cat. Earth rule are your worst. You can't even rule your blood clot, girl, but you rule hurt. Rule your pussy.
We are personified. Panther, tell them this.
New York.
Killy, have a new style where we call name Killy. Have a new style where we call name Killy.
I don't know, so I can't kill black cat. 2 and 9 here.
Killy, 2 sons come, we line it up Killy. 3 sons come and we line it up Killy. 4 sons come and we line it up Killy. All of them come and up Killy. When we say the style name again, we Killy. Enough of them a move so foolish and silly.
Bomba clot, I feel sick.
Panther go
I
Killy.
have it, I have it.
Style name again, we Killy.
Give me some more my value. So what's up in collage? Give me some more value of the king. For the man. Give me some more value of the man.
Too much jump and sun we send down in a hole.
Give me some more vibe value, mic value.
Them soul, this black cat I never live till them all. Yeah, tweet from now nobody wait till after. All son boy, all son daughter. People like to God because I eat black cat after. You know how to live in heaven and paradise after.
Stand up! Bomba clock now, different rhythm again, you see. New York, I come for food, I'm not left it now. Because you can pussy and the pussy can't manage black cat, so just come like this one day. Now pussy wall, yes. Now go right off that blood clot. Here I take place.
Yes, Rasta, I make the one them know you know. Curly locks this with the voice of Muta Baruka right now and a black cat. We're doing a fuckery. We are telling you from
From what there's some clash thing go on up here.
We burn a fire power the fuckery right now with the Rasta.
I made the government for clash in a blood clot business. The clash can't keep a panther and know about it.
Whatever. You
Right.
burn them out from early. You mean a panther, we not keep them friendly. You mean we not chat to them. Make we done some boy career. Music is you mean them producer right now.
What did you DJ now?
Killing. Black cat is willing.
Father, pump me up, pump me up, pump me up.
Nah. Hey. Who the can't fit? One body fire.
If you can't swear, say you're a Batman. 2 and 9 here. 2 and 9 here, sir. Burn on them blood clot, burn them up.
Black cat, burn a fire, burn a men. We know you not move with them. No time at all, we not keep them friends. Them a men. Some in a part.
Hey, Katarock, I'm gonna get the first kick in your pussy. You ugly like blood clot snail. Here now. Here now. Here now.
Never bow, just burn them enough.
No bass.
String them up, wind them up alive. Be a batty man, come down and arrive.
Bomba Clark. Blood clot, that's
Some of the put them know some more fire, yeah. Don't know the prophet of speak.
We now have to go deep in the box yet. We have it.
Every time. Don't know we can't.
We are play for a top.
For pussy to 1 year. I know yeah, man, and some more fire again from Batman.
More fire. Evan large up. All Manchester people know us large up in the blood class cell. Request to our corridor anyway.
Oh, yeah.
All Jamaica, the Yankee where they come from. All black people.
String them up, wind them up alive. Be a batty man, them come down and arrive. Black cat and string them up, wind them up alive.
All the girls them. Enough girl in there. Yes, baby, you're hot in the ass. I can play one truth. What the girls are you say? Get them in now. Show.
Oh, fantastic that. Girls, you make me wanna leave the one I'm with to start a new relationship.
Still melody. A few more. I was trying to come in next. Few more left.
What did you make me? How you make me wanna leave?
All who say Batman for dead now. Here I come next now. Here I know.
Think about
Here I know.
What did you make me?
Hey, Panther, don't tell him say chuck. But him and can't change that the same way them born. From the very day the seed got up.
Brand new cable time.
Can't change that the same.
Massive as a bun sound tune in first round here. Hold on.
Can't change that the same way them born. From the very day the seed got up on the farm. Can't change that the same way them born. That's why them never want wind down. Them get fucked from the womb. So me get to find out when up on them doom. Look for them, Mr. Say them a walk with the swoop.
Turn up. Bomba clock now. Difference in again. About 4 more left now. So we don't rush the same way. You know. Killer. Bomba clock. Wreck some boy career.
You ready to treat these sound punks rational? Hey yo, let them know the place.
Throw the line of yourself.
Hey yo, one time. Hey yo, for the bunch. Hey yo, Black Jack, Manchester. Hey yo.
On the ready New York.
Hey yo, London.
Back up the blood clot, so yeah.
Tell them this. Well, what a massacre they hear ya. When I go down in a
pull up. Bomba clot. Engineer, fat up the sound. Fat up the sound.
Rational. Hey yo,
welcome on, let's go for you.
Hey yo, one time. Hey yo.
Yo, James War. Yo, look, hey. Time man.
Hey yo, London, worldwide.
On the ready New York, left and right, you know.
Tell them this. Well, what a massacre they hear ya. When I go down in the arena. Well, Black Jack them get meaner. But if you take when you carry it clean. Them not ready for that team, ya. So them a look for Panther well seen, ya. You see me tell on them a dream. When you play it, I'll let off them steam.
Yeah.
Black Jack did not play presenter. Tell them say keep wait.
I lose a Batman for them. Watch your power now. Watch it now.
Hey yo. Boss up that baby.
Anyway, a bad man not bow down, no we no creep. Some rock got it and then them woman come deep. Black cat man, put your hand in the air. From you know your face and no chair.
Too much shooter, truly.
No seat become seat down. After me mouth.
Me have this in the key. Now where sell me have it blood clot.
No girl put it down.
Have it.
See here and don't take it down. Each and every man to man gonna ready. Some boy know that and keep doing.
Play one tune we alone play. Play one tune the Black Cat alone can't play. Garnet still.
Some pussy or somewhere.
Garnet still for this.
Have you ever shot a man?
Here you know. Bomba clot. Here you know.
Say you wanna
Bomba clot. You done them. You done them.
I'm looking someone to play with. All right. See how look at juice box.
It's my mind. Me no matter. The boy can't come about them a new sound that they can't have certain tunes. If your blood clot new, still play with new sound. Play no veteran.
I'm dead. Pink Panther. Nobody said nothing.
No boy can't find this. Galaxy.
Galaxy. Me never said nothing more. Come in.
Galaxy.
Black Cat come again. And a song boy life in.
Galaxy. Salute the king. Salute. Bomba clot. Hey kid, large up now. So far away in the world. Lord to them.
Whoa.
ruler. I can't tell you something, Katarock heart ruler.
Black cat is broad. Ooh. You say you wanna challenge Black Cat, but Cat will throw you to the ground. Didn't you know Black Cat?
I don't know, so Black Cat can't lose the clash. 2 and a year. 2 and a blood clot here. New York. A long time here coming. We're gonna get some pussy clawing now.
Make you drown, go down. Some boy, go down.
For a long time, I see them the one that go poor for now go. Hey yo!
Too much, yeah! Bomb!
Black Cat, never let your problem get you down.
Just
God don't keep focus on no ground.
We have
do what we do, so we say.
I don't suck pussy 2 and a year now. 2 and a blood clot here now. What up?
I thought why this the magazine police out, I don't send them a fight crime. All the you come and me no see the first time. Jack them turn it hard. Government policies on
Katarock. Katarock has seen we grow up on people yeah top. You have blood clot disease. You can't manage Black Cat. We have crosses.
Hey, yeah, that is it, bro.
Yeah, you know. We're gonna lock off them blood clots.
Yo. We not care, you know. Kill a son guy anytime, anywhere, you know. Black Cat tell them, say them man fear, you know. Flip like the eagle and the dragon and the bear, you know. Yeah, on the fear, you know. Me see it clear, you know. Oh, Father God, world I run and fear.
Find out you now.
Hey yo, a child, Papa, you sit up, Black Cat. Hey yo, you see the man from Arm of you, shooters in Rockford, Hey yo, Gully Eyes, Bangladesh teaching. Black Cat said that you're stepping under the lizard. Get some on the guns and shoot you like alcohol.
Pull up! Jesus
trying to let me down and all that. I got an easy way to make them drown. With these guns of love around. Hey, Black Cat, I shoot them like on the bone. Papa, take them to the
rascal, you there?
Yo, a child, Papa, you sit up.
New York!
Hey yo!
10, 20s, 40s, 2 for reach and 90s.
Hey yo!
Last up! Last show!
Black Cat said that you're stepping under the lizard. Get some on the guns and shoot you like alcohol when guns are around.
When the bell go off, man, you ain't supposed to swell up. Request to all the shot of them panther there, then kill this panther. What you say, MC?
Yo, massive, that was the Black Cat. That was the Black Cat. The bell, they kind of sound weak, you know. The bell, they want firm up like a more now. Yo, Sluggy Ranks, pick up yourself each and every time from Papa TC, yeah? For real. Remember, massive, each and every Monday. Write us up. Monday night bashment. Also remember, every Thursday now by 9:30 a.m. on the AM dial. 9:30 a.m. Every Thursday night at 9 to 10, a brand new radio program hosted by your courses at TC. Check it out. Sluggy Ranks soon coming. This week we have Sammy Dread, Supado, and Soul Supreme. Massive buyer, big up yourself each and every time. As we get ready for the second sound in the first round. The sound. Hey, Trula.
Yeah. What me new last shot of them there? 90 shatter, 50 shatter. Hold on. Some bow cat come off and run up them mouth. And it's early, them man no warlord. Broken on my town, and me run here so. Every crib is every corner. If me say gunshot fire, that have a boss. All who want said put sound dead 2 another year now. Who no ready for sound dead? Some boy I run off them mouth early out. He's a new current massive in the day. Hey, it's right now. We're going to start it also. We're going to show you how true laddie. I hear how because it's a Black Cat. I first me ever hear Black Cat play so. Them play like a bunch of pussy. Remember me tell you that. Hey, run that tune killer. Go start murder. Listen what I go on now. Hey, no bandstand there. Nothing. Line it up killer.
Sound boy, I've wasted your time.
Hold on, man.
Trying to play a ruler sound of your boy.
Hold on, the man. I'm a first round, you know. Some little pussy are coming out them mouth.
It's
more
than magnificent when Earth Ruler come forward.
Mr. Serve some pussy in here tonight.
Think we don't see you.
LP run from the clash. Mr. All who ready for sound dead. Put up your gun finger then so. Yo.
Sorry for a sound guy. Sorry for them.
Hey, put up on the blood clot gun finger.
Sorry for a sound.
Yo, put up on the gun finger. Hey, Brooklyn, walk one. What we tell them? Yo, put up some volume.
And make me fans cry.
Volume. Hey, what the BS line now? BS line. We want people that don't understand it. Hey, put up, hey, early now. It's early. Yo, more volume. What do you mean? Big evil sound there. Brooklyn. Walk one.
And a nation we go down.
Hey, Mr. the Bowcat boy puncher run off him more. I'm going to kick him down pussy. Disrespect. Stop that. Hold on. I don't like how you fuck around, you know. Don't fuck around. Me say, some boy come on in the first round, you know, first round. First round, should have got some up and above the crowd. Him not going with nothing to play to pop them things in the face me. Hey, watch you now, I'm going to kick them in them pussy one by one. Run that.
Easy Pablo, culture scene.
Listen what I want.
Saint Market. Rhythm.
Listen, I'm not coming up for the play on no pussy wall tonight.
Easy, I'm so.
Yo, walk one. Yo.
Earth through the sound, we play every time. A sound girl with they're only watching the skies.
Hey, all who love Butcher 200 year. All who love Butcher 200 year.
Bye.
All who love Butcher 200 blood year. One up there. Brooklyn, walk one. Walk one.
Bring it to back. So now go dead.
No more. Hold on now. Let me shot you now. Hold on. Circle down, Brooklyn, circle. Hold on, Brooklyn, circle. Hey, hold on now. Panther coming here. Show him name Black Pussy. All the man them who love pussy push up under the ear. All the man them who know so them now go fuck no skettle girl. Show up under the ear. 2-1. Put up your 2-1. 2-1 on the blood clot here. Hold on. That one here for Black Cat. When say I go kick Katarock in I'm pussy, me I go kick Black Cat in I'm mother pussy now. Run that.
Some boy disrespect.
Watch you now, Brooklyn. Yo, give me this blood clot and Mr. Brooklyn.
Son boy, make me tell you this story. We kill you.
Go on. Turn up. Run it again.
Son boy, make me tell you this story. We kill you. Go on, go cool. Don't shot me, gonna use and damage your son and abuse you. This is your true so me you tell you wrong. When Bertie a select, well him no fear no one. Gunshot we a go use and turn.
Hold on. When you come at Brooklyn and kill blood class sound, you know we upon no time. Hey, what's Sizzle there? What them pussy they are do?
You like all over Bertie, man.
Hold on, then first round. What the thing there? Hey, Sizzle, what Black Cat a do? What them pussy they are do?
Backside say, what the nuts is them are guys. Some confess of it up and corrupt.
Hold on, then.
Tell them change them ways. Bring you through a re-up, come here so people beat up.
Yo. Them say a 4 sound for there. The pussy wall LP them run. Katarock there, the pussy wall Black Cat there. Hey, what are them?
One of them.
Merciless. When them pussy there, this is man of Georgia.
When them on the line are straight. One of them pussies would be grateful for your Georgia. It's gonna be one of them boy your final there. One of them pussy are just this man of Georgia. One of them pussy are them.
Earth ruler coming up for on a bomb buckler fire. Any man out the fire dead.
Yo, this how I name hot.
I go get hotter. Red.
I go get redder.
Come here, sir.
I go get rougher.
Walk one.
Earth ruler.
We have a gun on them. Hot. I go get hotter. Hey.
I go get redder. I go get
hold on there now.
When you yak it, I go.
Walk one.
So the boy about check me.
And we got them play. Why? Hold on. Hold on now.
One more present me. For me make me.
Walk one now. Earth ruler run them around 20.
Them a try to confront me. And they must see junkie.
Hey.
I told them off especially I'm a bumpy.
Sure.
Stop
that. Cause when me coming a bumbo clock dance and see war, me not coming here to give a bag of speech. Watch Panther. It look like me eat pussy at daytime cause all them gonna do at hey, run that tune there. Me not come here for play. What me come here for do?
It is a lot.
What me there for do? Murder some boy.
Earth ruler, we murder some boy.
Hold on there. Walk one tune there. Hey. Yo.
Someone make a mistake, come test her truly, you see.
Hey, fix up the song.
Every move.
Hey.
A million times before, you're too blind to see. I'm a sound get dust and gonna say
walk one.
It's over, that's okay. Now you get what you want. Earth ruler, the massive need. Earth ruler they want. And this is no lie.
Hey, massive.
Somebody you die, you can't.
When it comes to Earth ruler sound, Earth ruler the only sound make gunshot fire in and outdoors. A barrage of gunshot. It's right about Earth ruler. I'm a shot at them, no rubber shot boy. Put up your blood clot gun on them so. Yo!
Gunshot bust a ricochet off a wall. And start to like you jump and go fall. Watch how they must be cut. This one is complicated. So what I see, New York must come everywhere we flock. I break with us.
Black cat say I'm gonna kill the ruler. Him say I'm gonna kill the ruler. I want to them pussy there. Some boy, a boy like them bad and some boy. Yo, turn up the mic, man. Turn up this bomba club.
Attack all them dead and some boy. We take the chain off your chest.
I will say some boy. Next amount of tune
and some boy. I look man say war and some boy. I tell you them a who and some boy. They would have rob you for your show real quick.
I'm a bad boy bridging this from my right. Him say, oh, pussy hole must dead tonight. Oh, hey. Remember, you know, hey, fix up this man, fix it up. Come here, I want to know what kind of feed up back thing I'm going. Say, when you come to Brooklyn want your clean sound and people for dead quick. See? I see right now, Brooklyn. Do two of my first round. I'm going to burn some new tune for the item. So merciless war go on. Then me know say her tune a design war. Run through.
The full suit of war, it never fit him. Yo, tell them kill quick. Run that Scorpion, Jacko, Starkey, gunshot, barky. You know, this the way we go. Talk like this all I know. Hey, yo, Earth ruler. You know me say
yo, what them boy they do?
Me see them a look wild, tell them put a foot forward. Earth ruler season and cook war. Probably they never know me write the book war. From Jupiter to Mars, me push war. This bigger than Vietnam and push war. Earth ruler no fights push war. I can't see them a trace and all a push war. And just for 1 month old, him a puke war. Say them a gunman and them don't know the root of war. Them force me to put on me suit.
Me mama tell us a pussy hole of dead in tonight, you know. Hey, Cobra, walk one.
Me say, hey, me must me tell you go dead. Gun them at something we use them on a skull leg. A murder, ruler we boxer. Pussy, God alone can tell we no shotty. Alright, now, what's so we go you say you a freak? How do my for you say you a bury next week? We don't say, when we say already you no care. What pussy face is up here? Now, click, coffee me big on quick. Anytime me coffee no pussy me next.
Mr. Mega Burr some boy now. I'm going to kick out Panther teeth in here.
Them dead now.
The pussy them.
Dead now.
It's a union name keep pushing this.
Now,
Yo.
Bad man now go chase like Mitzi. Now go power with a boy when no stray. From me none a man can't kiss your lipsy. Put gun on in the ear that me ray. Cause if a batty boy ever
come near way,
gunshot left that in a bad state. And if a pussy won't ever try J.W. a dove gun.
Yo, what we gonna do them boy there?
We a murder the boy. I'm an him a call darling. Murder the boy. Up back the boy.
And half an hour now. Yeah man, on the first thing.
Boring. Murder the boy. Her tool of them calling. People want a preserving system. No one no sound where she look like empty tin. Select a force full like a engine.
Hold up. Guys, what me about? Me feel play a tune for me and my Brooklyn niggas. I don't know, say it's a next millennium I come next month. You know me I do because it's a new month. All the man them who say money have to make. What you say? All the man them who say money have to make for the next millennium want to see your gun finger so. You not turn no papa. You not go around no rob nobody. Hey, run that tune there. Run that tune there.
Roller sound, yo, at the big bad earth roller, man like kill quick, yo, scap.
Cause you some boy, you know, want to see you make money.
Keep rich, let's.
And when you make money, them a fight it.
Kill a sound, we a go kill a sound. Earth ruler, we a kill some sound. I kill a.
All the man them who know them not bad-minded, where they hand them there. Show up your gun on. One to them. I put the whole grass. Yo.
I mash up the place and we and them no friend.
Put the whole of them.
The fuck and them get grudgeful.
Yo.
Like they a lead and they panther speed. Them gonna whoop your man, you know what?
Tell me cause hey.
No if no but. When we a play dancehall a Europe, one Dubplate a bust a boy head cup. Chop off him head and left him body a kick up. Well, they like Jack a friend all the while. And a stabbing away back and a smile. Can't stand.
Hey Brooklyn, me know the sound are dead in tonight and I know another ruler.
So no grudgeful. The pussy will them get grudgeful.
Hey, when merciless they know.
Well, the other day a sound white is we want boxy but he miss me. Want to me little chatty. Whole heart had me wish me. Shatter the finish me. Matic pan coffee make it curse. One of them try fish.
Black cat a run off him mouth.
Look like them what?
Suck pussy panther run off him mouth. Him no know say Brooklyn a gangster too.
How we tell? Out of me matic. Me pop off me 3-star rocket. Let them have it. If it's him my bike.
Hold on there now. Well, we any wonder there now. We any wonder.
I can see it on their faces.
Yes I am.
Caught up in the wrong places. You better leave without traces.
Hold on there now.
You get nowhere to run. No, I can squeeze my brains.
It's a go in on the nitty-gritty, you know. Trust me.
You better tighten up your laces. Your true love pop up.
Hey, I don't know. Yo.
The only way we stay alive. When we live on when blazing. So they don't feel like my family go meet a bus car and no.
Then you go stop.
The only way we stay alive. When we live on when blazing.
We say it a go get mucky pan some boy in here. Hold on then up.
See then now it get sticky for some sound we can't find no dub it get hard. Chew them there and them can't take the pressure from the dub where we a find them up to draw. Yard and some selector where you hype up in a clothes where them borrow from them friend it get hard. But earth ruler stand firm, rule from term to term and we control. We yard.
Let's go so well. Yo. Our panther run up his mouth in here. You have the boy panther run up his mouth in here. Yo Brooklyn. Yo.
How some boy you go like say them man got the power when come bend up river was.
Yo.
Ball for all them mother dog them with a pound of flour. Cool and make we line up all this all them kill them together. How some boy you go like say them man.
Relax on yourself, first round.
Passion the pass and got this and go we talk we now the one because you know say we not time because it ruler sound we now we no Calvin Klein but son boy you dead bad. Son boy you dead bad.
Let me not Brooklyn. Relax on yourself. A first round. No boy can't get with frightening at this. Remember me tell you, no boy. I'm going to tell you, say, Brooklyn, yes, over there, and yes, earth ruler around Brooklyn. No boy can't kill you, yes, and nowhere. Hey, Butch, Wagwan.
Yeah!
Relax on yourself, how you mean?
Mash it up, earth ruler, watch out, pass it. 40,000 more, let go. Earth ruler.
How many New York chatters them?
He's a ragamuffin.
Mr. No boy can't kill you, sir. You're mad. Hey, when my Brooklyn gangster them there. What are they?
Hey, Brooklyn we there. Tell them me say, I'm going to them reggae. And right now, put you not go nowhere. Earth ruler sing, see the. Earth ruler make me hold them. Lord, I don't need to see the.
Massive. Relax on yourself, me I tell you, man. Hey, me say no boy can't come to Brooklyn, come bad up. No boy can't come to Brooklyn, come kill. No sound. Hey, what go on, Spragga?
Don't ever try this earth ruler cover. You get turned over. Spragga best man.
All the man who knows where Brooklyn them come from. And a boy can't pussy up. Let me see your gun finger up in the air. Right now.
Our badness away we know because of Brooklyn we grow not true. We look easy and simple. So you know say wickedness earth ruler practice away we make.
What go on, Spragga? Yo.
Not true every Sunday we go at church. Enough time we mash some dangerous works. Enough pussy hole we make go lay down in a earth. Enough time we make police car reverse. And not because we have baby face 24/7 we gun pound we waste. And when time come fi we deal with it, we not go linger and we not hesitate. So mark this with sleep, silent river deep. Let no spear and copper we no keep. Bust we gun anywhere, anytime, any day. Cause when it come down to gun we no play car. And when we know a Brooklyn we go not true.
Hey, earth rulers are sound, you know, we no follow no sound. We no follow no dumb buckler boy. You see all them boy there?
Earth ruler, from you see your carbon, then you can know one.
It goes so.
From the original man. Well, Earth ruler, you are the champion.
Brooklyn, what one now? What one? Hey.
Well, Mrs. Clear, done
in a revelation.
One man was worthy, he is still hand. Visit them on the throne and burn down Vatican.
Some come out and attack him, I go do this and do that. I don't know, so original bad boy from long time.
That push bad man, them will go.
Hey, when me 90s gangster, them there.
Give me gun, them let me free my soul.
He goes so.
2 minutes face, it get 15 years old.
All the man them who know, so them not take no chat from no boy.
Ruler tell them, say,
he goes so.
give me the gun, them let me free my soul. 2 minutes face, it's 15 years old. Him talk too much rude.
I said come to all our ruler sound. Yo, Brooklyn,
man,
yo.
bad fan them bad. Rock level leak you don't give overdose and hard. Kill you don't thinking set under your heart. Man kill all the color look you tree ya. Bertie kill quick, I kill so long before you born. But you're the 90s man turn the heat. Rock level need come out and gunshot.
Wall up them man. Cause you don't know in a couple more than the Katarock. Trust me massive. Me not make no boy tricky going at this. See, we no fooling at this. We not this long time. We not just come. Right about now. All the man them right now, woman who know say, them a go for them destiny and no pussy hole can't stop you. Put up your hand in the ear, so right now, what about you? Run it, killer.
So, ruler, so time is different. Let it go. So last year, I know.
I don't want to first play by Earth Rule in a dancehall, remember?
Greatest thing.
All the massive who are go for them destiny right now. Right now.
I want to rule my destiny. Earth Rule, I tell the world that I want to rule my destiny. When we say, destiny, mama look from when you call. Destiny, mama look from when you call it. I want to rule my destiny. Yeah. Tell me, let me rule my destiny.
Hey, massive. It's right about now. All the man who believe in a God, put up your hand in the ear, so. Right now. Guys, see the man upstairs. Me say, all who believe in the Father, put up your hand in the ear, so now. You see all the God? Right now. Yo, it's right now.
Look at the trees, how their leaves are blowing away in the sky.
Well, all right.
Listen to the birds, how they're singing away their time. Listen to the sound, Earth rulers playing the dance. All these sounds were
Dennis Brown. Yeah, man, the first row. Yeah.
Look at the grass, how they make your lungs look pretty. Listen to the singers, how they're making the dance all night. Even when you're feeling weary, sad and low, all you got to do is relax and listen to the ruling sound. Earth ruler, yeah, Lord, yeah. shall tell you again, the true love rules. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey, I am a massive member, you know, me I tell you now, the first round, you know, see? Enough things. See? Hey, Scorpion, I'm going to come talk to Brooklyn people, you know, Virgin. I'm chat to Brooklyn people.
1, 2, 1, 2. Right about now, Brooklyn. On the war on yourself. On the done see what go on already. See, a 2-yard sound, and it happens to be only 1 foreign sound. See, kind of done see the LP drop out at the race. So right now we are represent Brooklyn. You see me? I see right now at the first round. I don't want to worry about nothing. You see later on, the box heavy. You see what I say? So also big respect to man from UK, 90s, Flatbush, 2 first. Crown Nights, me say the whole out of there. You see me I say? I see right now. Watch how we play it around here. You see this? It can't broke off some boy foot and some, and you have some man have some tune in this way. You see me I say? Anyway, them play it and them get fouled. We have broke up them tune. They see? Right now, when you don't know, say Black Cat have a bad tune on the vineyard we go so. She came out to, and I play Chronicle. Cause him can't afford Barrington right to leave it. You see me I say Brooklyn? So right now we are sure we broke off boy foot now.
Yeah! Who see that dead, them dead, we know left the weakness got court and go tell Earth Ruler, Starky Dan, Marky Dan, and Jeddy Dan, New York gunman, them clean gun from early out, Maxie and said that.
Right about now, I broke off some boy foot. Hold on.
Hello.
Yeah, some boy can't afford. Leave it. Listen.
In the name of the Lord, ruler.
Hold on, Brooklyn.
Dubplate.
What broke off in boy foot? Hold on.
In the name of the Lord, man, we no kin teeth. Dubplate.
Me say, hold on, Brooklyn. You see that tune there? That tune they call Papa. Can you see later on? What all of the cereal phone? Right about now, don't mix that tune yet. All the money from Brooklyn, big and serious. Even though so you don't left your gun in your yard, put your left hand in the ear. I want to see everybody put them left hand in the ear. Right about now, Mojo. New York!
We have it power, we have it power. On everything lively. We have it power, we have it power.
90s Flatbush. Yo. Yo, Mr. Sima, man.
Shut up,
people, Mr. No worry yourself. Later I will have it.
What's your agenda? What's your curriculum? Stop teaching you them wrong things is fun. Gunshot, come on, make we burn down Saddam. All on true and down line.
Well, on the Brooklyn.
We have it power, we have it power.
Mr. Later on. I go and show you say Black Cat now no tune in a
this.
Katarock now no tune in a this. Remember?
And we no long dance, so we have to try to. We get a man a climb up a man back. Over them love a man I get gunshine to. I move to the band and off the top, we have a chat. We have it power, we have it power.
Well, I know. I go and play 2 more tunes. And then we go and bring in Katarock. I see right now, me not tell a lie. Black Cat play around with kind of mind. You see that say? We're in the first round a warm up thing. You see later on.
Done. Rule a mash up the town from A to the ground.
It's
all over. Watch how we nice sound. Down from price on. Earth to the sun. Start to bring them on the other. And we're off. We should have flip on everything. They are last. No the good of them. We carry.
Well on man. Right about now I hear some bouncy killer play the first round. You see right now we are cramp up some boy belly. Right about now. You see that bouncy killer here. A New York anthem this. You remember this?
Well, me gonna ask so you me gonna take in.
Yo, Mr. Brooklyn.
From you this a shoes lace and me show. Oh, you me gonna take interview. Oh, you love them gun them brand new. Talk so next me gonna ask so be dead. Well, see me smile just make some bloodshed. A boy like me gun yam neck.
Yo, Mr. Wallado.
I bust them my blood just like some scar leg.
Stop that. Me have one more tune for play. Till the next song. I see right now. Well, I make me find that tune. I go and cramp up them. Well, I know. Shh. Well, I know Brooklyn. Don't worry yourself. We have it. You see what I say? Everything I go nice. Shh. Well, I know. Yes, I. Brooklyn.
I'm telling you no worry about nothing. You see later on in the judgment, everything done. Listen to tune, yeah. This is my final tune till the 15:15. I want you to listen to tune, yeah, very, very, very keenly. Shh, listen.
Snitches and spies, snitches and flies, don't want.
We see a two sound from Jamaica, right? And LP did come from New York, but them no show up, them go past. Listen.
Check this now.
Brooklyn! Mr. Listen to the tune, keenly. Listen what we are the one that said.
Kill them now. Check this now. Tonight in the dancehall, we gonna kill 2 sound boy and send them go back a yard. All the sound are from New York.
Mr. Wallana, man!
When the ruler gonna back, we have no time.
All who say them come visit blood class out there. 200 a year! 200 a year! Members set tonight! Brooklyn!
We gun them down and leave them dying.
Quiet. I laid the rules out. And I know everybody heard the rules. This is a rumble. We can't keep all the sounds in the ring all night. After the first round, it's up to 2 sounds, your decision. What people talking about later on? Hey. I make sure state the rules. Twin Tom, big up yourself for real. Not being biased or nothing, but I just want to know everybody heard the rules. After the first round, 1 get kicked out and 2 continue. Without further delay, Katarock.
Yo, go up on the volume, guys. It never was like that earlier. So set it for people, them. Set it for Brooklyn people, them. And I hear them bad sound. This is how everybody love and a craze over. I want some guy, brethren. People. First thing is first. Earth ruler. You say, wait till the next round. It don't look like you make it for the next round. But not bias. Pink Panther stand a better chance of Earth ruler right now. But not lie. I don't even play it. So the bomber clat about next round. Brethren, you see one time we come at them place and I kill sound. Little guys, listen how we kill sound.
Bomber clat water. Ramp with me. Come on! The shot force will people to fun. Who want to test the color?
Hey, hold on. You see, sure we have it like that. But if not to play a tune long enough, guys. Me and my play one tune over there a while ago and I say, wait till next round. Root boy, me I tell you honest truth, you don't make it. Me going to studios. I'm going for Mighty Diamonds to do one tune for the dancer tonight. So listen to that tune, people. We're not getting the money, it's blood clot right now. Nobody now left here tonight till somebody dead. Listen.
Katarock prophesy, say, son boy, I go find them backs behind the walls, oh yeah. It a go bitter.
Black cat off run away.
When Katarock play,
hold on, just hold on. Just hold on. Pink Panther say want the food. The box food not selling that tonight, Panther. Let's go hold a burger and chill, alright?
Prophesy, say, son boy, I go find them backs behind the walls, oh yeah. It a go bitter.
Black cat off run away.
When Katarock play,
LP have to run away.
When Katarock play now,
ruler have to run away.
When Katarock play.
Hey, you see how we call exclusive artists from night in a place, Earth Ruler. As a sound will live here, and you're not playing the New York artist. I want to give him some blood clot kicking a little more. Listen, Sluggy.
Quincy Jones, big of them on the place, run that my youth. Katarock.
Listen.
Rastafari.
Roll on! Hey, Panther, you have a friend from Jamaica. Don't kick up your bomber clot in tonight. Hey, you see you, Scorpion?
In this is
Said the mingle marrow, trouble cat.
Pull up the bomb cloud tune. Pull up.
Cat on them you. They watch on.
Hey, give me some more volume. Where am I gone?
Face, don't worry.
Turn up the mic.
Run that. Quincy Jones, big up the man of the place. Run that, my youth. Katarock sound, man.
Turn up the mic.
Rastafari. Set the mingle marrow. Katarock. Set the mingle marrow. Can't touch big sound, man. Sing pan boy, Katarock on the place. Jump pan boy.
Hey New York, tell them sir.
And this is said the mingle marrow. Trouble Katarock, you won't see tomorrow.
Hey. Me don't know who are gonna make it through next round now, but you see every tune we playing tonight is a forward. And if me don't get the forward, I don't just boom me out of place. Me not lie. Right now, it gets sticky on the next two sound because the combination alone has shut up a whole place. Bounty Killer, Baby Sham, Cobra. If we don't play this, me lock off. Lock off.
Hey yo, yellow, Katarock.
Wow. Hey, give me some more volume. More volume on the microphone.
Yo, yellow, Quincy, man the back. Hey yo, Hitman. Hey yo, Cliff. Cat.
Get we back.
Know this way the ground for that. Hey yo, it's Bounty Killer, Baby Sham, Mad Cobra.
Kill Leslie and Fire.
Black tell me to sing a little.
Nothing at all.
Run that, we'll take them food.
Hey, you want to play a bad artist by with them pussy wall? We're not going to bad sound. Black Cat and Earth Ruler. Here you come here telling the punk. Walk on.
Boy, say my shutter, you no shut up in no man, you saw. Make dopey, but you can't make none, you saw. Crack skull, but you can't crack none, you saw.
Earth Ruler.
That you know.
Black Cat song.
You know no yard man, more than no man, you saw. No Rima man, more than no man.
All those Black Cat and Earth Ruler, the two of them right now. The two of them right now.
Me up to real Katarock, I will live here.
Hey, give me some money, sir. One more for Sharon.
Wow! Man, fucking junkie, some scatter shit.
Yeah.
Hey yo, yellow, Quincy, man the back. Hey yo, Hitman. Hey yo, Cliff. Cat.
Get we back.
Know this way the ground for that. Hey yo, it's Bounty Killer, Baby Sham, Mad Cobra.
Kill Leslie and
I'm proud of my career.
Nothing at all. Run that.
Enough man have big pretty car and them body about them. All the man who knows the man has sex and two of them right now. Two of them right now. Look there.
Hey.
Yo, New York.
What say my shutter, you no shut up in no man.
Hey, find the baseline.
Make dopey, but you can't make none, you saw. Crack skull, but you can't crack none, you saw. Pussy, that you know, if you know. You don't know no yard man, more than no man, you saw. No Rima man.
Hey, Pink Panther, same control, Brooklyn.
No
all the time I play a sound clash, people look at him and laugh off him, can't pay a fucking matter. Hey, yo, man.
Me up to real Katarock, I will live here, cause we have to make Jamaica feel proud. Well, Sham say,
hey, hey, tune get bad yet. Now send some boy go studio go spend some money on some tune. You see all the boy who wants Safari studio don't want some blood clot beating.
We have to make Jamaica.
No, for God tune. Escape and I want put in a barrel and roll off a blood clot hill. Hey, Bounty Killer, what you say?
Katarock, look into the dirt. Yeah. Tell me what you see. Yeah. You see Katarock.
Hold on. Me now wait for no special time. Referee, why you count the forward and the tune them? Cause I don't know who make it through next round, but I know say me I carry on the trophy. Go get the people and say look where we go up and go earn because it's all about liberty. And with a bad mind. Right now, Sean Paul Vegas, we're showing on for cut tune. Around the studio with them through the safari. Listen.
Boy, I do yo, them can't come test me now, yo, we name.
Hey, true, I can't play them tune now.
Up in New York, all about and you don't know say, yo, on the park, eh?
Oh, let me a Panther play some tune already, man. Panther, the tune want some more eyes, them lower. Walk one.
Because of then, chilla la 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 bum bum chile. Katarock a killer jump on today.
Hold on, no.
La 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 bum bum chilla. A party boy, some boy, daddy.
Because of that.
Competition of a one car way bus. Bust the dance, judge and know say a war bus. Between a little sound boy and the famous Katarock.
Hey, man, tell you something I like. It too selected them in a trace one another from like my party and that. Hey, you hear me now, Virgin? Hey, Bounty Killer, down the place. Bounty Killer.
Them up and you when them know them shouldn't try. Needless to give me no excuse. No, all about it. Oh, yeah. Needless to say no more. Some of this call the poor.
force me to get no more. Katarock with caring. From boy we get we not gonna happen. Nothing to
Hey, where Brooklyn shot at them about you? Two of them now. Where Brooklyn shot at them there? Yeah, you be Queens people. We have it, man. We have it. Yes, the King of this is a good song, but the next month I will kick up Babyface blood clot and trim him. Hear the next one by the rhythm now.
Motherfucking niggas war worried, the war not no things. Just a rock, turn on, and people like up.
Pull up. Bertrand, we have it, you know. County forward, I'm a tune plays a forward. Well, easy, Mr. Freddy and Keith hype. Troop of the Wolf Jarrex, don't understand for the day. When I witness the killing, Bertrand. Alright.
Hey yo, one time, no crime, all fine. Hey yo, run that, Quincy. Hey yo, man about cat, Cliff, big man. Hey yo, face, motherfucking niggas know the place, we ain't gonna leave no trace. Hey, motherfucking niggas war worried, the war not no things.
Walk one now, bounty.
Run turn on, and people like on. Me a killer, me no preacher. Me come here for one. Guns out and turn on, your man a like on. This just a rock in a your
walk one.
Believe so you wicked just for me farm. Like your farm, big choco, and that's a rock on. Same time you would have sucked all the day when you're bad.
Hey, mister, at the forward, them I run on the most cars, so we have to make it through next round. I will lead so far. Yes, right now, yes, someone coming out dance on that and a pay tracing boat. Wait till me do this and that. Bad word, no bad word now, we're not running out tonight. You have to play some tune, Bridget, big and serious. So right now, cables and let them know what I go on.
I'm just making them know, say, hey, them should have know. Katarock we never bow.
Hey, what have the cables on them? No man can't play new cables on. Walk one now.
Well, I'm blocked this way now, boots, no RSL, know them a road out there, so
Hold on, man. Hold on.
Well, this a Katarock time. Long time wicked man want treat them like swine. Look at your duff and look at your dumb and look at your blind. All the wrong tree me all go.
Hey, right, so now wait, man. I want to come say something to the people from New York. What you say?
Fire for them and them where a fuck man behind.
Father, follow up on the mic now. May look more body, you know. Put a little more body in there. Little more body. Body it up, body it up, body it up. Body it up. No, I ain't turn it up tomorrow. Just put somebody in it. Request to all of the gangsters in the house right now. Ready? I know Cableton. We don't have a host, no war. Father, belly up the mic, man. I'm following it up too. Yeah. Go back this one. Right here. Yeah, man. Here we reach Black Cat and Earthula tonight. I got no bounty. You know my style, Black Cat and Earthula now. Hey, hold on, wait for the next bounty killer to come right now. Yeah, you my brother, mix up there.
Motherfucking niggas gonna leave them around stiff.
Yo, New York, I go.
That's all you got to give them for a gift.
Tell them.
No son we come from.
Word.
There's a lot of songs we come from Brooklyn to Staten, straight back to Gallatin for gunshot these months.
We are seasoning night now, Jones.
Hey yo, you know, run that Prince.
Easy cassette Bentley, cassette Jones, you're there. Yeah, man.
Niggas should know they should shift.
Bounty again, my brother. Yeah. Where's the John ring up on the bass? All of the shot them from New York, full time again. I go. From Jersey to Staten. Whoa. Everything could hear a blood clot tune at night. On the wall on. Well then. I want to big up all my Katarock crew, I big up on myself, you. Yeah.
Well, Katarock, I make some boy.
Yo, Brooklyn, I go.
Select and not play right, and them not steal light. Get before the light. Well, I didn't leave.
Play me low. Take out the bass. Massive. You see Panther come in here, chat up all in blood clot mouth, and I come talk about Katarock, go suck them mama. Eh? Look on him head and flat up and look like them girl. If you love a little girl voice, you me cut the bounty of fame. Mix my brother. Tell blood clot, Sissy Panther say. I got New York. Panther.
Well, that's where if you can now, maybe. Why you gonna?
Wall.
Hey yo, you know.
And my first round, this me I play, me just I get the regular amount of the way. I'm going to show you some new tune more. Hold on. Yes, Fireball, that's it. Nice. Yeah, man, my put it there, you know. Yeah, man. Easy mind about the house, Father Cliff, larger. Do long, clang, you know. Yeah. Where's the red for the bass again? Kick it here.
That's where if you cannot, baby. Why you got that Katarock, they're not lazy. Many of our lords, so if you give our lady.
Panta.
Old face, Quincy Jones, a man, not
Tell again.
Just wait for the cannot, baby. Why you got that?
I look more from now at the Bronx, I do it. Katarock and Blunt.
Say if you give our lady. Pussy, old face.
Yeah, Brooklyn, ready again.
Well, I'm all them up from out, remind them that I'm.
Hold up. Yes, sir. Engineer, we just make it nice, no father, and stop the rare. Yeah, man. Yes, right now, massive. Means a man at Jamaica, me I come from to come and dance here. I'm going to big up all of the man who live in New York. See? I'm going to big up all of the man who left Jamaica and come live a foreign. So me I say, I just want every man and himself individual if proud of which part them come from. Because I have some boy not proud of which part them live, you know. I have a next set of boy them living proud of them complexion neither. So all of the man them right now know so your man is just a man here proud of who you are. Give me some signal for that show.
This one is called Desperate Measure. Make a man to go over Jamaica house. This is my treasure. Wow!
Request to all of the New York people them right now. It's all about Katarock. I juggle me, I got juggle now. Juggle me, I got juggle. Why juggle? I got New York.
Wanna talk to the MPs, the opposition leader, this rascal prime minister.
Yes, New York. Pull up 5 same way.
Better jobs we need. Make sure.
Father, you sing right.
No money now make a man a so. And for the country around it I got tougher. Therefore anyway the man I go for. Take it to me, say Katarock and a bluffer. Then no wine at them Benz and listen. Buy mama house, style it with the button flush.
The request to all of you want to know it's all about money making.
Justice, where we not get much. Live with an alternative, but for up no. Kidnap Yakono, Harlan Dracono.
Look, any light in here right now. If any light in here, I want to see them. Never play one of the biggest ganja man tune at Jamaica right now. All of the man who know say strictly ganja and smoke. 2 fingers in a ear. 2 fingers in a ear for ganja tune.
Hey, when you see me on the dance, me and Katarock up and we scandal, but we have $100.
Whoa! Yeah, New York, some new tune me are going to put them on.
I like the bad guy.
You know the joke thing.
Them guy over there.
Yeah.
This is Katarock and Badman don't care. I see anyway because my eyes are clear. Smoke sense to me from night till there. Well, this is the Minister of Agriculture speaking. What I'm saying, ganja is the same thing like the scallion and the thyme. It's just like that lime there with that rhyme there. When you smoke ganja, I get blind there.
Why Panther come like him hungry? Same left Jamaica come and play for food. Trophy we are play for you.
Weed off the small.
Use the correct name for the thing, man. Trophy. But the people them think you're hungry, you come here and play for no plate of food, man.
Go
ready again, baby.
When you see me on the dance, me and Katarock apart.
And I'm a scandal, but we have $100.
You see the sound where we have on the plate, so we play.
Hey, Quincy, give me the baddest cable on that box right now.
You see the house, we living at the chair.
Call him a tune, you.
See how we buy it.
$100 bar.
Well, we are telling get to you, and we are preach them the truth. I don't ever check on none.
Hey, New York, you see that sound, you tell them.
Policeman like me cousin to the high grade beat. Look at the Yabucha Prestige Sergeant Reed. Legalize this, them have the permit for it. But the bigger head, them a sell the weed out of street.
Well then,
Juliana Tech man.
Play me low. Mixing me and same time, my brother. Me your earth ruler man, them come in and say, boy, Brooklyn a for them place. And them run ya so. At Jamaica me come from, I'm proud of that blood clot. You have all the boy Panther come talk about him run blood clot run. Let me tell him which part me run. Yeah, you my brother, mix it through.
Check it out. And say them like the city, but I will.
Whoa! So them yes, cable can brand new.
Rule the girl. And say them rule diamond, Katarock, fuck pearl.
And I may put the fire on earl. Tell them.
Say them like the city, but I will.
Request to all the people who them in a Katarock can't fly. Ever.
Say them rule diamond, but I will rule pearl. And we put the fire.
Tell them. How them feel like
the city when you don't have no key. Can't lock the city with your body man free. No for them a dog and go rise with flea.
Whoa, God.
She are the old lady. No boy can't ride with like no donkey. This King Selassie then you're in a misery. Katarock, you make the whole of them flee.
Hey, hold up the cable time. You see right now, a trophy we come for play final. When I fuck with tonight, hold this. Because you have some big man at the place, you have some young youth at the place, and everything have to play tonight. Because don't worry, you know. Because the man must say, yo, I'm going to go 1 round, 1 half, and then I'm going to play, and then the crowd decide from that. I mean, I fuck right now. So,
it reached a stage where I'm going to play some big tune for the massive them. So all of who there who come here to listen to some hardcore tune, a phone time right now cause you don't know it's all about Katarock, Can't Flap. Quincy's here, Hitman is here. Big up my boss, mine back over there, so big it up, saying. So right now, request to all of the gangsters in the house right now. Listen up there. Let's go to tune the Quincy.
Katarock! Cover the pussy, them yai chop, them get gunshot. Mind the original Macabre again, Cat Cliffy. Chat about Lassell Motor.
I want to treat the hard way.
again.
Macabre baby with a ninja, man. I'm not weird.
Macabre alongside baby when it's all about murder. Go again, start killing old boy.
Request to the gangster. Pain I'm in one. And who are you? We're going to Black Cat and Earth Ruler.
Original Gen Gaga.
And New York with a dance on here.
Me tell them war, it's war, it's war.
Hey, what on? Put on the blood clot on him. What do you know? Put on the hand there.
War, it's war.
All who read camera now, give me the blood clot.
Place your life. Oh, many more. Pussy them want Katarock to kill. Make them.
Hey, hold on now. Hey, take them back on them. Take them back on them.
Until I said the answer, my friend. I come out of the nest.
All who read Baby Wayne was one of the wickedest DJ from long time.
Right there.
Give me the gun finger for Baby Wayne right now.
Katarock, them say man bad from them bad. Cocky level, lick your dirty.
Well, you see right now. You have a DJ down at Jamaica named Capleton. I'm not supposed to know them man they have done the whole place. I have the wickedest singer down at Jamaica right now named Lucian, and I'm going to play the two of them in a combination. Brand new.
I'm going to them know say to the heretical way. Watch how Lucian and the prophet and them should have know. I'm going to send time to me just more fire. Keep it burning, I'm just can't cool. Hey, Lucian, let them know what I want.
Yes, Jah kingdom come down upon the earth. King Selassie, I voice must be heard. Jah kingdom come down upon the earth. King Selassie, I have a shepherd. Alright then, boy. Katarock symbol. Let it show.
I start to request to all the man who believe in the Almighty.
You know the Almighty and all his righteousness and all things will be added unto you.
All of the people who know today is a God up above. Who wants to put two in a year for the Almighty? I go.
We play another punchline.
Whoa, God.
Oh, Almighty Savior divine.
We're talking about Tony.
Well, Katarock, you see something so fast. Play another punchline.
And you want to work with me. I'm going to play that tune until it finishes.
Play another bassline.
All of the man right now playing a bad man. Capleton.
Them can't hold me down. Them can't tie me down. Them can't stop the world. Them can't tie me down. I will respond to the liar thinking job.
Tell them.
Can't hold me down. Them can't tie me down. Them can't stop the words where you come
off of me tongue.
Can't hold me down. Them can't.
Yes, Peter man, big up yourself. Big up the crowd, man. How are you?
But them can't hold me down. From them can't hold me down. That mean them can't push me down. From them can't push me down.
Yo, take out the bass now.
From them can't lick me down. That mean them can't.
All who are your Lucian again, put up your hand.
That mean them can't shoot me down.
Put up your hand for Lucian again.
That mean them can't shot me down. From them can't shot me down.
Lucian.
Can't put me down.
Lucian.
Can't put
Lucian.
under the ground.
Lucian.
Yo.
Just look at the crowd, how they're dancing in the Lord. Look at them agua.
Them shoulda know.
When the me get around.
Hey, massive. Me no know a Black Cat weird pan. Me no know a Earth Ruler weird pan. But me a squeeze my one. All of the man for your proud to be black. And your proud of your blood clot to man. Go on here.
Them one.
Wall tune. Yes, right now. Yo, take off this. Me don't even go wait for nothing. Me tell you something. Me don't even wait. The one you have 3 the hard way. Sammy Dread, Pad Anthony, and the man like Johnny Asbury. It's come.
Quincy Minor, Cliff. Can't go watch no face, man. Some boy dead tonight. Pad Anthony and Johnny Asbury and Sammy Dread Dax, man. Run things.
All who come and soul clash. Let me see the gold finger in the ear. From a soul clash, I come. Put up the gold finger in the ear. I go.
And everybody said the hanging tree. We take us over to the end.
Whoa, God.
The hanging tree. We take us over to the hanging tree.
Well, then,
Say any joker sound I come and try to test a we. We mash them up, we chop them up, we hang them on a tree that is the
how much more minutes we have? 5 minutes alone for that. Oh, this got full time done quick.
And everybody singing Amen. Amen. Amen.
Where's the father? Only 5. Alright, we're nice, man. We're nice. That's good enough. A minute a tune, and like that. So right now, never big up all of the man them who proud of the little island, Jamaica, because you don't know, say Jamaica go all over the place to set a foundation and make people wise up. You know me I say? Because the man them say Jamaica go up here, come tell the little man them live in America, say yo, sell some drugs and make some money. So right now, I'm going to play the youth like Junior Demos. And them man are veteran of the business. All of the man want to hear some veteran tune of all the tunes. Right now, a summon play clash.
That's them sound boy there, yo. Katarock, yo. Them boy they disrespecting.
All who read the veteran DJ, you put it in here now. I light in there, put them light on them. I go.
Tell them come this and that get no dumb. That a mercy. That a mercy me. Take it from the top. Tell them from the top and to the very last. Back to the demons from the top.
Hey, Junior Demos, get that tune now, yo.
Tell me now. They're never no dumb. Make no wiggle. Pop on the phone or giggle.
Whoa, God.
Devil.
Don't bounce it, yo. Don't bounce it. Don't beat it, father. No. No, beat it, father. Don't beat it. All right, now we only have 3 more to go before the referee take it over back and start duty. So right now, request it to all of the people who live in New York. Look at that tune there.
Destruction for your jump on. Man, how do them Cliff? Cat, Quincy Jones, Wicked Face, Hitman, Al Milwaukee Crew, Original Matt Daddy Mike Johnson, Glenn Washington, murder jump on.
Na 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 na.
Yo, Brooklyn, yeah, I'm right now. Request to all the people who live in New York. I go. Tell what they want to put on here right now.
Come on, let's rise and shine and give Katarock the glow.
Wheel! Pull up! Come again, yo. Run that fast, man. The time is at 10.
Yeah, jump on. Man, how do them Cliff? Cat, Quincy Jones, Wicked Face, Hitman, Al Milwaukee Crew, Original Matt Daddy Mike Johnson, Glenn Washington,
yeah, man.
Jump on.
Na 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 na.
Yes, Glenn, ready again.
Na 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 na. Katarock is playing good music for.
Request to all the man who know foundation. Let go.
Come on, let's rise and shine and give Katarock the glory. Playing good music.
Hey, request it to all the lines in my bonnet, yo. Speak it up, say it.
Now, massive, you should open your eyes and see. Let's sing and shout Katarock song praises forever, so the world can see.
And right about now, it's all about my grand finale scene. So right now, Marcus Heritage, Wagwan.
Remember, it's liberation.
All of the man right now who come here to see sound dead. 2 fingers in the air right now. I go. Whoa, God. Yo, Brooklyn, no one here wish I with sound in your dead tonight. Hey, some of the sound them, you know. Some of the sound them not there tonight, but you hold on, man. You hold on. Don't catch them after here. Alright, here who over dead after them 2 sound. After them 2 sound, yeah.
Rise and gone on them things.
Yeah, me kill them already.
See the rise and gone.
Me kill them too. Who are dead next?
5 in down, rise and gone.
Alright, who they have to get dead?
See Black Cat rise and gone, but look out. Katarock come rise.
Pull up. Yo, referee.
Time. Now, call this the water down time after the first round. Can I remember, you know, we said this is a rumble. 3 sound can't stay all night. But we'll still get to that. Now, Keisha, I want you to come up on stage and muggle the trophy. Keisha, where are you? Keisha, where are you? Keisha, quickly. You gotta come up on stage and muggle the trophy. Nobody playing no tune, no time yet. Okay, we gotta hold the rope for Keisha. It's gonna muggle the trophy. Remember, we did this like Hollywood style, you know. You gotta walk down front, love. Where the trophy there? Give Keisha her trophy now. Massive remembrance. Saturday, December the 18th, right here, so. Bayer TC presents a super night. The closing of the 1999 into the year 2000. Saturday, December 18th, right here, so. Kilimanjaro. Travelers. Murderation. Don't forget. Alright? Saturday, December the 18th, Kilimanjaro. Travelers. Yo, Ralling, big up yourself each and every time, alright? Also, Twin Tom, remember your night. Margaret Chauffeur trophy. Margaret Chauffeur. This is a trophy that whoever left standing in the ring is gonna receive. Yo, Twin Tom, remember your thing. November the 13th inside the Q Club. Your 10th anniversary of the promotion. Kids do it each and every time. Also, Father P and the Soul Supreme crew. Remember, December the 4th, right there, so. Super Clash Addis, Soul Supreme. Don't forget that date. Remember later on at Shane's Villa, Blunt Posse, Katarock again. Later on, so check them out inside Shane's Villa. Okay, and also remember each and every Sunday night, right, so everything is in the mind, everything is started. Remember each and every Monday night, right, so Ram Jam Mondays. Steve Austin. Promoter. Oh, yes, say something to the people. We call this the water down. Remember, Master, if you want, here we pan 9:30 a.m. on the AM dial on Thursdays from 9 p.m. until 10. We call it the bashment hour. Raw shit. Squeegee. Respect is due. See you. Never see you before. Now I see you. Can't leave you alone. Sit down and talk to them.
Yes, Tia. As you were saying, you see, this Royal Rumble is a every year thing. Once a year, somebody's gonna come here and get their motherfucking ass kicked, and somebody's gonna go home with the trophy. Every year. Tonight, it's Katarock, Black Cat, and her Tula, and some motherfucking body is going to die. That's all me have to say. See, big up everybody. Watch me show Dancehall World, 6:30 every Saturday. Me and Lee Major have that new video show. See, check me out. Dancehall World, 6:30 every Saturday, channel 68. See, thank you for coming out. Yo, start the killing again, TC.
Okay. The first round. It's a rumble. One get thrown outside the ring. Do you want Black Cat to continue? Do you want Earth Ruler to continue? Do you want Katarock to continue? It's a rumble. 3 enter, 1 out, 2 to go. Hear the rules. Hear the rules. Rawness. Fifth. Why does fuck up something inside that? 15 minutes each sound. Being that one of the sound of us. You want to go 30 then? Hold on. Okay. Them change the rules again. Them change the rules. Them want to a song there say, them want wait till later. Them want give him a fair chance to represent. So the 3 sounds, I gotta go 15 minutes. The 3 sounds, I gotta go 15 minutes each. Black Cat.
Yo. Check. Bomba clot. Are you Katarock? You look out for a man for drop out and your blood clot drop out too. Hear this? Right off them pussy, you see.
Bye! A jump on sound die. No ox Black Cat why go for
New York, we're ready for the real Panther.
Big respect to
Panther. I done them pussy.
Yeah, man. Time to last more natural so right now. We done them. Step down. You done know him.
Them can't call Panther cartoon. Sound killer. Sound killer.
Let me go down to Billy. Watch out. Don't jump them sounds Black Cat. It's a turn fabulous. Watch out.
New York!
Wow.
Done the blood clot now.
We're in a sound class playing. Sounds deep on the side. So the fossil wall them lurking, trying to take the Panther's prize. Oh, them will stop, can't juggling. Sound get them realize. machine with oversized clip. Soon I go get killed tonight. Some boy must dead. Pussy only
Put up! Blood clot is up. We're done the career. Give it to them.
A jump on sound die. No ox black cat one.
Quentin Jones. You're not Master Panther.
Respect the Panther, you don't know.
Your face squeeze up like pussy.
That's alright.
Now done your career. Done your career.
Panther cartoon.
Yeah, call up Addy's name. You can't play blood clot Addy's. Suck your mama to dry out. Hear this. Hear this. Yes! Yes!
Black and
yo!
We're in a sound class playing. Sounds they on the side.
All over black here, 2 and 9 blood clot here now.
Lurking, trying to take the Panther's pride. Oh, them to stop your juggling.
All who never fuck a goat or a donkey from them band, 2 and 9 here now.
The gold machine with oversized clip. So now go get killed tonight. Some boy must dead. Only no way. Said, a beer shot are growing. Heartland, a big out the street cats.
The rascal and Katarock, go on now. Go on now.
Well, me want your hands up. Cause some sound I got dead now. Bust up the mid like some pop chow. What thing in the life are where we sure about. Panther not fuck no.
All who sick and swear say never fuck about it. 2 and 9 here.
As money for no never bow. Nobody never bow. What thing in the life are where me sure about. Sham no suck no pussy.
When we are born, but it's why we know.
Blood clot.
Wow.
Blood clot.
Wow. What's on the block? What's on the youth like? Oh, Ken Panda. What's on the curve? What's on the youth like? I want to say
lock off them
chicken out.
Inside being some wood. I'm going to say vehicles.
Chicken out.
Inside being some wood. When them say son boy for that. Hey, son boy, but that's the mouth stink. I want to
15.
Yo, rush them block.
All who say black cat and lead 2 and 9 here.
Blood clot.
Well, me want your hands up. Cause some sound I got dead now. Bust up the mid like some pop chow. What thing in the life are where we sure about. Panther not fuck nobody. Me want your hands up.
Quincy Jones a fucking brother. The 2 brother play same son. All who like Batman 2 and 9 here.
Life are where me sure about. Sham not suck no pussy.
When we are born, but it's why we not sweet and say sorry. Be a push of whole news, the boy, them a
Steve Austin, carry the blood clot key. We not let them out of them dead. Carry the Ross key, come for place. Carry come.
Make them to know. Sing it down, man, jump around. Black Panther tell them say what? Hey, Black Cat we tell them say what nothing. Hey, Black Cat we tell them say what nothing can't run, nothing can't run, nothing. Now we don't beat sound and kill sound, we teach sound. Cause them sound they see that them a clown, them don't know nothing. Them boy they feel like money can put on turntable and play a Dubplate.
Oh, they're not big tune like Black Cat. I'm ready for all the garnet see them and the whole blood class in them yet. You afraid for me answer them? Wait till the answer join us tonight.
Some sound cause them a clown in town. See them a come but we not no fear. Dubplate is here. Panther tell them it's a heavy load but we have to carry it. We a got kill some sound, them a clown in town. See them a come but we not no fear. See a Dubplate a run it and bust it at the face. Panther the teacher a true man now. A true man of course bad one man a tell you boy a bumpy class. I want to them. Hey, them to know.
Where are you in New York?
Black Panther tell them say what?
New York!
Black Cat we tell them say what nothing.
If you want Black Cat kill them 2 and 9 years, Panther.
One nothing can run, nothing can hide, nothing can escape. Black
Quincy Jones, me not admire man, but from here I see ugly people, you're the ugliest blood clot man in the world. I can't tell you something, you know what I say to them?
Only for us you all not like we suck your mama. Can't no son boy, Black Cat no freeder. We tell any son boy, suck out your gal. Big Panther no HP go blow bed. Only for us you all not like we suck your mama. Can't no son boy, Black Cat no freeder. We tell any shit.
If I want me can't kill them right that's I know. If Panther want me can't kill every blood clot body, you say, take a lie? Alright, New York. Quincy Jones, you don't know Biltmore until then. You don't know Biltmore until then, a blood clot. You don't know what that's up.
This is the wicked everlasting. Let me say, Black Cat, tell the world. No call me name, no spread the rumor. We are vigilante.
Look out for blood clot. Check it. Carve that clot. Some boy. You don't know blood clot, New York. A trailer in the bush of suck your mama. Blood clot, dude. What do you know?
This is the wicked everlasting.
We will let the world.
Black Cat. Tell the world. No call me name, no spread the rumor. Tell the world. No call me name, no spread the rumor. We are vigilante. Black Cat no mix up with CIA.
Quincy Jones, you don't use to New York, so you know no gun steer.
We know Black Cat. Yes, we must afford. Yes, we man.
Pull up.
Run with it.
We're done them.
This is the wicked everlasting.
Katarock, which tune you have in your Ross box can come?
Call me name, no spread the rumor. We are vigilante.
10, 40s, 50s, 90s, 2-1st regions, all the blood clan New York.
Bad boy no mingle window. Black Cat. Yes, we must have 45, not an AK. Them have the shells in all the...
Ross, Quincy Jones, me now bias massive. If a boy, may I tell you something? Enough, no, I tell you no. Me body selector Jamaica. But that's true, my boss a style from my blood class sometimes. Me take my son from my style running my blood class self. So me full of tune.
What you mean now?
Bunty and Greg Isaac, find this blood clot.
Med.
Yeah. Hear this.
Med.
Whoa.
Please build me a Chris Gaston.
Bunty and Greg Isaac.
Black come to church.
Video man catch a forward and all.
So and tell them say murder in the dance hall. Black and call a little sound boy and then we just play.
Oh no, I'm Brooklyn lockdown 2 and a year.
Just like that.
None of mercy. Blood Cat kill fit on no perplex. Them no necessity.
Pull up.
Your perplex.
Med. Please get back to me.
Done them.
Med. Please build me a Chris Gaston.
Katarock. You could have played Satan.
So I tell them say murder in the dance.
Oh yeah, come back Quincy. You mouth treasure like some skettle draws waist.
And the one just like that.
None of mercy. Blood Cat kill fit on no perplex. Them no necessity. And a nation we go down.
Quincy Jones, you can't cut through like Black Cat. When New York DJ there, when
Chuck Brenda is here, the new sensation. Yo Panther, yo Unity. Yo, our shutters from 90s. Black Cat no heart for kill the pussy hold them. We only get others to come shoot them. And we have the zigzag they have to done them Panther. Best just to see all the fool them. Because enough pussy will Panther pack up and kill. No innocent blood who no see Black Cat spill. Who next them send for kill tell them fi write them will. Them dissolve the Lord them a go dead yet still. Who will firm in ourself. We tilt up.
Yo. Panther, my name, Queens, nobody know you're foreign. You know boss yet. Katarock have one little baby name at Jamaica sometimes. The news passing the years up here. Black Cat, this blood clot. Big high-end sound. Here, children.
Black Cat, what's it now? We could just get this thing going now. What's it now? The ladies them just get good treatment tonight. So when I say, hey, watch a run that now.
Quincy, for your body never signed an autograph yet. Last time I killed one sound, I signed an autograph on a girl pussy jar.
Alright. Black Cat ladies, I got a
Yo, Monster we larger, Cannon larger, Germs
Black Cat, what's it now? We could just get this thing going now. What's it now? The ladies them just get good treatment tonight. So when I say, hey, Hey, watch out.
Hey, Pen, large up your blood clot self.
Hold a phone from now.
Tell me, I'll give it to them, puss.
Ladies, them up nice, you know. So me I say, alright, cool, babes, alright.
Hey, Tarzan, don't watch nothing. The whole of Washington, too. Why not, too?
Black cat ladies, I guess, now it's time.
And the girls, them large up.
Me to give up. I think it's time. Got a picture of you beside me.
Stand up! Massive, don't forget the big dance. King Addies and Soul Supreme. Blood clot, what a dance. King Addies and Soul Supreme. And the last clash, you know, December 4th. Right in on this blood clot. Babyface, my selector. Tough dread. Rough no blood clot. I'm afraid. Here come.
Yes, and the rumble continues. Calling Earth Ruler. They said, the promoter said TC 15, 15, 15. Calling Earth Ruler. And the rumble continues. Must remember December 18, Kilimanjaro's Travelers. Goldstone TC, Natural Vibes. Buy your thing. December 4th, right there, so King Addies Soul Supreme. Later on inside the Bronx. Blunt Posse. Katarock. Check that out. Also, Twin Tom Your Thing, November the 13th, Saturday night inside the Q Club. Your 10th anniversary in the promotion. And all the sounds and everyone will be there. Q Club. 13th, all of us. Treasure and the crew, respect is due each and every time. All the Bronx Massive. Earth Ruler, are you ready to rumble? Ember. Talk to them, Earth.
Yeah. Massive, remember no tune no play it, you know. Me no know where them a kill out themselves. The boy Panther go on, hold on, man. Remember, you know, them boy they don't even know about Billboard days. I heard you lock down Biltmore. Big up UK crew. Playing a tune, Earth will have big war sound from long time. Saying your son just coming out of the business. Them not now go on. Hey, it's right about now. Alright, run through now, killer. Squeeze.
I hear you playing a lot of combination, but you remember Earth will have some inspiration, see? And Earth will have some boy them cooler. Don't let nobody fool you, see? You remember?
Listen to that tune here, Brooklyn. All who wants to sound them wants to some gun finger. What Johnny Osborne there? What Hold on there.
We're gonna rock you tonight.
Oh yeah.
Earth will rock you tonight.
They say all who wants to sound dead.
Earth will kill another zinc fan tonight.
Hold on there.
We're gonna rock you tonight. Earth will rock you tonight.
Me say, boy, I talk about Biltmore days and Ray. Katarock don't know about Biltmore. It's when we are kick off pussy face at Biltmore. Look how we kick off boy face. Black cat running or something, you know. Me say, all who ready for some bumper clad dead, put up your gun under the ear. Hold on the man. Hey! I don't know what some boy are chat about. Yo, what one?
Time. If killing your sound was a crime, I do tend to lie.
Hey, this is Panther. Panther, something you put on your body when you're a fuck girl. Fee mama name him wrong. Mister, when we are kill pussy wall, we not run for kill boy. What about you?
And you kill him was a crime. You know them would have murdered me. Yes,
hold on there. Hold on there.
When you do the crime, them would have get rid of me. We are kill sound.
What you know? Brooklyn.
I don't know or true. I want a million. Any sound test we hell.
Panther come on and a beat off him mouth. What me say? Like him nyam pussy all week.
I think
all them are going like them bad so and everything. Hold on there now. Rock them. All them are going like them bad so.
Yes, and them never yet lick out a man marrow. Who no ask them how them a go on like them bad so. Yes, and they never push a gun in a barrow. Why? Me a turn up big night.
No barrow, you mad.
No smoke, no coke and paro. You fool. Rude boy no live in a man's shadow.
Hold on. Let me tell you something. All the man them know say no man now fucking in your body. Put up your hand in the ear. Put up your hand in the ear. You're not born under no girl. Put your hand in the ear. Hold them up. The boy Panther coming here talk about Black Cat at him run Brooklyn. Me go show him who run blood clot Brooklyn. And the shot of them run Brooklyn. What the shot of them? They run that tune there. Put up your blood clot gun and we are kill sound. Me say all who wants the sound they put up your gun on. All go now. Who the better?
Show me uno on.
Put up your blood clot on. All go.
Show me
hold on then now.
If you no ready to go eat a bang me.
What we sing? Them boy there. All them boy there do come from Jamaica and rip off New York people money. But so tonight we're gonna find out the pussy hole then. One by one.
I've been through
hills and valley.
I survived.
Me say all them do come rip off for money.
Enough gunshot, the ruler skip.
Me say son never dead in them. Hold on. Ready for them no killer. We want them and pop it up.
Poor God's patch where we rip off. Oh, you get your blood stripe, the guitar.
Hold on. Them says a blood clot royal rumble. And we are going to rumble them blood clot now. So Katarock, Black Cat, ready for dead. Listen you know. Listen you know.
We talk about Earth, we talk about the motherland, man. Jesus Christ, a big thing, man. One blood out of many, one people. You look on them and tell them, a boy go at them wicked. You look on them and tell them, say, I ain't walk through the valley of the shadow.
Brooklyn.
I ain't say no evil. You tell them, say no gangster, big things.
Brooklyn. Hear me tell them why you say no.
So many more will have to suffer. And many more will have to die. No answer to the why. No ask people and why. You tell them say gangster, what?
I won't tell them say.
No coffin and
prepare to die.
Who rise against the ruler, they shall surely die.
I don't know I want to them boy, you know. But it look like them answers and some of them lie. Yo, Mega. Some boy you see a pretty cocky way you like.
This earth ruler and you must lose your life. We don't buy the heat of landing. Earth ruler launch, yes.
Voila. Over there, so you know. It's when Katarock did that play. And him call out the Panther name. I see Panther over there, so I talk to him, Virgin. And I say, what clap, Bertie? I want that. I water come from Panther eye. So I look on Panther and say, Panther.
If you cry, I know you
cry. I done the pussy them in here.
This is how you
line up the shutter tune there.
A true love for real.
Yeah, wicked outside.
Brooklyn! What go on now?
Me look at
what go on?
A true love murder.
Who there?
A champanina.
I tell you.
With some classic dancehall style, driving everybody wild.
We upon Sprague, Benz, man. We upon Sprague. Cereal now run.
We got to split that till last. And
Mr. Sound I go then. All who wants to sound then. Who wants to some gun finger when Sprague jump in. Hey, what the gun finger them there?
Say a prayer to the Lord, to the family, bye-bye. Everybody happy dead, I know why your time feel tight. Take your last deep breath. Tell your friend them, no cry, you will meet them in a day big.
Yo, what we tell them now, one by one.
Back him, shut him up, lick off him.
Bang, better, angle of back.
He goes so.
Dang, hey. Bang, better, angle of back. You just call it roller for we. You tell them as a case of emergency. Now, sound them waters we.
So you know where I go on. We're about to them. We're about to them. Man, I talk about Bill more days.
Tell them no, give me no argument. Kill me come to kill earth, you'll have no text statement.
Yo!
People free dead. Tell them no, give me no argument.
argument. Kill me, come to kill me, say cut out the long conflict.
You see me now, bad man from long time.
Who is experience? Murder, pussy and war. We no jump over fence. But them believe them God and live with all them parents.
Hold up. Man, I talk about Biltmore days and Ray around some tune. When we there lock down Biltmore and gunshot a fire out a road at Biltmore. I heard True do that. Says right about now, one know something, you know. So Brooklyn, me asking a question.
Starchy and the one called Bono. Not a mercy, I'm gonna get black talent and black right now. Not a mercy, I'm dirty. Not a mercy, skill production, some boy live dirty. Nitty cut shit. The girl them golden dirty.
One know something in Brooklyn.
The more them fight, the stronger we get.
What them can do?
No, them can't test us. No.
What?
Them fight, we are stronger we get. Where we possess, I eat a worry them. I make them can't test us. No, them can't test us.
Hey, all go now. I'm in a talk now.
No long argument with no guy. We no in a long argument, no long argument. Them this rule and them got to die. We no in a no fat girl chasing, no time wasting. Gunshot a blaze pan guy. We no in a long argument.
Hey Brooklyn, what one? When we shut up right in them there. Hey,
boy, come out of them a be, come out of them a be, come out of them a be. Mathematic, making trouble and causing static. Disturb the peace and create a threat and never prepare.
Pull up that. I see my next tune. I'm going to play my next tune for all of my shatter birds in them. All the man, hey, you hear me now? All the man who knows that a boy can't come here yard. Come this year. Listen to that tune, run that tune.
That's why I'm come say I think for the whole old boy them now.
Member! Earth tool are gonna come down soon for our express money coming Western Union. Bamba will send the gun belt on me, so one dive is less than 4 months.
Me say all who no boy can't come this year. What was brother?
Well, we tell them say bad man no beg friend, pussy off the dead. Bad man no pet boy, full them up a lead. All clown this the pro.
Me say some me and I run off them mouth.
It no make sense to beg, you go dead. Pussy off the dead. Bad man eliminate from it to Z. Boy dress up in a white.
Hey, what you pretending now? What you pretending?
Judgment me sing sir.
Send them come, send them one by one. I make me show them how they rule and stay.
It goes so.
Send them come, send them one by one. I make me show them say, give me this.
What go on vigilante?
Give them give me this and give me this salvation. We teach everyone. We dwell it in the right and not dwell
it in the wrong.
No fi take your money and go over man. No fi grudgeful, no fi envy the man. Grab gun so I can have to boast on the man. Don't bite the hand that give you.
I see my next one. The next one I go to all the Brooklyn players them. Because enough players in the house, you know. What about it?
Baby, it was uncool to love me, then leave me standing here.
Reaching out to all my players them and the boy.
Without a goodbye, and baby,
hold on there.
I am the fool you call me, 'cause I'll be.
When me about them tune, I build more and I done the whole place. Some boy don't even get to come New York.
To me,
hold on there.
So. I'm ready, you know I'm ready to love.
We're bound to that now. We're bound to that.
In love now. I come and listen.
Hey, I'm a players them now. We're bound to kill her.
Earth ruler. Yeah, me see you when you sell it up out. Don't talk and turn it as him out.
It goes so.
Hey, tell them to move a muscle dirty coming home. He go visit the girl them love zone. Oi, yellow people, let's scream and moan. Me starting the old tiger bone.
Yo,
brush me shoes and so.
Pull up. Cause me I tell you, them boy I can't kill her too late. This, remember me I tell you. Hey, when them boy they come to kill her, run it. Cause it's not done until daylight, remember.
Blow up a shot to decorate from head to toe. Not a mercy, and that is all I know. Some son just got to go.
Bound to kill alongside this Scotch and angel too last. From straight
I'm say when them boy I come.
Some guy must blast them come.
Go on to the spreadsheet.
Now them kiss me and them die.
Yo, what go on it?
No one boy and them a sound. Come to taste the ruler. No two men and them a sound. Come to taste the ruler. No three men and them a sound.
Boy Panther coming and run off him mouth.
No three men and two men.
And a rare. You're about to what the boy I do.
Sure. Them start war and believe it would have done it done. Me send for ammunition and guns.
Yeah.
Me them got trouble me side.
You see them boy there. You see them boy there.
Me sing. This is a suicide murder. Them desert ruler with the big old gunja. 100 and them knock on your finger. Them made a explode like a gas cylinder. Again, this is a suicide murder. Them they start with them your big old gunja. Earth ruler some them knock on your finger. It is like a bus with gunshot passenger. Yes boy, well promising me contender. I nah retreat and me nah surrender. Copper shot to chop them like a rat in a blender. Gunshot to get hurt to la descender. Boy I shoulda know we got the hurt defender. But like a tiger you kick like ninja. Gonna have no sense and it nah have no behavior. If you fuck yourself me gon' get up.
Hold up. I'm gonna play the baddest tune for the night now. See? Yo. I'll play the baddest tune for the night now. A tune.
Trust me, man. The dance a trust bust, man. For real. Yeah.
Barris.
Hear this now. Pull up the vibes that you're playing. Can you play some
Paris?
more? Can you play some more?
Wagwan, Brooklyn.
Lift it up, jack it up, pull it up, come again, you know. Can you play some more? Can you play some more?
Voila!
Ruler got me rocking in the corner.
What up? Me hear a black cat play a singing melody. When you play singing melody, you play a singing melody like this. Run that.
Stay up on the level now. Stop ya!
Me say when you play singing melody, you play a singing melody like this.
Tell them dead.
Try to test the rule of them.
You're dead. Never live to see tomorrow. The plate upon them belly.
Whoa.
Tell them you're dead. Try to disrespect with them dead. Never live to see tomorrow. The plate upon them belly. Bout them run things, never know her to the system was playing.
Yeah. One more to go then the Katarock, see? I'm a grand finale. Barris. Wagwan. Run it. One more to go. Barris, Wagwan.
Hush.
What we know?
Wait a minute. Before you say another word now. What can you do to stop yourself from dying? I gotta know, yes, I gotta know now. What can you do to stop yourself from dying? I said I wanna know, yes, I wanna know now. What can you do to stop yourself from dying? Said I gotta know, yes, I gotta know now. What can you do to stop yourself from dying?
Yeah, I hear me announce your time, you know. Deal with it.
That was the Earth Ruler. The third sound in the second round, 15 minutes. Katarock.
One. Fix that. 1, 2. Mic check, yeah. That's the ring. Ready? All right. Brooklyn is all about Katarock turn again. I ain't go down in the nitty-gritty right now. I say right now, it's all about Katarock, Quincy, man, Johnny Ringo, the whole family is here, and it's all about hardcore. So it's come the musical thing called exclusiveness, but I'm not going to say nothing more in New York. I want to listen to Junior and listen to Keely.
You can't pay your bill, then you gonna get killed. So just go right ahead and write your will.
Katarock alone.
First we came to Ram to dance. Katarock sound always jam. Sound boy.
Katarock alone. Nobody else.
Round like a Batman. Sound boy can understand. Killing sound boy by the dozen. Katarock's the better sound around. All other sound boy will get mashed down. Playing the Dubplate like you wish, yeah, like this one. But
you talk a lot, you play Destiny Child special. Remember,
dozen, you trifling, good for nothing, mother sucker, silly me. Why haven't I found it?
Hey, you know where they can blood clot kill, bumbo clot, Katarock. Run, Junior.
Right now.
Send them, sound killer.
All of the bad man there from New York, put up the gun finger in my ear right now. Put up the gun finger in my ear right now. Right now. I go. Sin.
Murder them already, we go and murder them again.
Whoa, God.
Kill them again.
I go.
Kill them already, we go and kill them on killer.
Pull up. We don't even want to play no more of that right now. You see me, I say, all of the man in the house right now know so you are strictly ganja on us. Let me see the ganja finger in the ear. And the ganja finger, you know, cause the big finger on the use light up a light, you know. Ganja finger, I mean. Run through again.
It's all about Katarock. Father John Holt. Yes, Chris man, you know, say and I run things when we say anything in a dance.
Where the man them from Brooklyn, New York there?
Katarock, the number one sound.
Yeah, Brooklyn, I go.
Listen. Police in helicopter.
Well.
Take back shots, man.
I mean, you run through. One bigger ball like Johnson in the house right now, I mean.
Police in helicopter. I search for Katarock. Soldiers in the fields for you.
Hey, take off this. Too much tune there, you know. Right now, I don't know where Panther get himself in. Can you come in here and come play? You look a bag of old tune, them brethren. You see, old tune, brethren, old tune run dance, you know. But them have to be exclusive. So when you play a sound clash, brethren, you play a sound clash like this.
And where them a go do now?
Yo, New York, I go.
You better pray now.
Tell black cat, I do that say.
I said, where them a go do now? A Katarock in the area.
I go.
Trouble again. A Katarock in the area.
Wall up.
Classic it.
Yeah, Brooklyn, what are you figure them there?
Katarock is daily. Alright, Johnny.
Everyone see every man gun finger in the ear right now. I go. Come with me now. Again now. The Katarock. Pull up. Run truck again, yo. So what do them?
Pinter's original bandolier. Come deal with it. Yeah, man. For me, say so. Go.
Shut up, here to toe. You know when you wait for me to toe night, I run and you shut it up and done. What do you mean? All right, Brooklyn, ready again.
The Katarock agenda.
Whoa, God. See me your pictures. I used to right now, I'm in the poker tonight because if the man them are not shown, they might go drop out. You see me, I say, hold that Johnny Ringo. So right now, I'm going to play one of the biggest tunes in the dance right now. My more you listen it and make sure the right one because so it's called musical thing called.
I didn't come. I'm musical thing called Kill Sound Boy because some boy are going like
all who say sound for dead, my time for run head to toe now. Back 30 of you. Hey, when you shot at them from me, I go.
Well, I know one away.
And a two away. And a 3 and a 4 and a 5 away. What on?
No, and a 8 away.
All I man them right now, from the boy can't trip you and thump in the face. Now the blood clot go for me. Post to all them now, go like me no matter what. Wall. Run chuck again. Next tune. What do you?
I didn't come. I'm used to a thing called Kill Sound Boy.
Being one again for the review.
You have the argument, because this is Katarock in a Quincy. I want him more and more to Dubplate and chop that shot. Let me tell him something now.
Yeah.
Well, I know one away. And I'm 2 away.
Request the Johnson on the house right now, you know?
No.
And a 8 away.
And a 9 away.
Alright, what the bad man them there again?
But the post of all them not go like me no matter what I want. So because them know we have the gal farm. If a post of all want set it on, roll up in the head, man, I go plan.
Alright, play me low. Play me low there. Massive, you see Panther. Panther is a post of all a bad mind. You see me, I say, when the man come in because Quincy Jones a whole life down at Jamaica, I'm grudge the youth for that. And him a talk boy, him a the baddest selector in a blood clot, bro. Like every clash him play at Jamaica, I'm lose. But me I go tell you something, Panther no bad than Katarock. Mix me next tune, yo. Tell Panther, sir.
Well, that's what me say.
None of them pussy they no bad like me. Well. None of them pussy they I mean. Oh Lord. I go, tell them. Well, that's what me say. None of them pussy they no bad like we. None of them pussy they no rough like we. None of them pussy they no rough. Life is a treasure that you cannot measure again. None of them pussy they no bad like we. None of them pussy they no tough like we. None of them pussy they no rough. Life is a treasure that them. Make it on them. Hey, hold up. Me know if it's not true, I'm going to play right now. Me don't even want to mix it. Engineer, carry a brand new nigga come give me because I want to look like it gone. Bring a brand new nigga come. Yeah. Right now, I'm going to play one of Panther, big tune. Them tune, I'm looking regular tune. I'm going to beat out one of them right now. Run that, my brother.
Hey, some close shot. Hey, cat. Hey, the boss, come talk to them. DTM class. All right.
Hey, Panther, I have a question for you asking you tonight. You talk about gun and bodies. Yeah.
Have you ever...
Bounty Killer, Black Cat play a year. Black Cat, this and that. Black Cat, same intro over. Make him play when I'm Bounty Killer from intro. One of them new one there. When him splice up phone. I want to hear the difference I'm talking about. Right now, exclusive thing again, New York.
Katarock, huh? Motherfucking niggas sit on a plan to rob this. Hey yo, you know. Black talent hold them, held them like magnet. Hey yo, you know. They thought they can gag this. Hey yo, you know.
All of the man in the house right now, you know, Bounty Killer big tune and say, Magnet, I saw the gal that wrote me in. All of the man who rope in them blood clot gonna ready to fight anywhere. Right now, signal. Whoa! Hey, play over this song. Play over this song. Yo, engineer, nobody let me ask you for your next nigga again here.
Niggas sit on a plan to rob this. Hey yo, you know. Black talent hold them, held them like magnet. Hey yo, you know. They thought they can gag this. Hey yo, you know. Mind the bag, hey yo, Hitman Quincy, one time, hey yo, you know, Cat Cliff, you know it's supposed.
I saw the gangster them from New York again there. What we shot at them there? I go.
Katarock, I say, magnet, Dr. London, magnet. Them sit down and them a plan now, rob this. But them want up me meal. Me have the black front and Teflon, keep them feel so magnet. Dr. London pull them in like magnet.
I said, sit down and bring them in.
Rob this. On your Quincy meal. We have the black front.
Behave yourself, Patsy, behave.
The boy them a draw me out, but the one
them draw me in.
Like a movie on the theme, them is
Hey, hold on. Where the New Locks bad boy them there? Where the 90s bad boy them there? Where the UK bad boy them? Where the one of the shot of them from New York there? Yo, my brother, mix the next tune, yo.
Step on the ends, on me, and Katarock.
I tell them when me come for big up all the shot of them. Whoa!
Yo,
cable can't parry them, yo.
Easy, man like Quincy large all while. It man, you don't know mine about and Cat and Al Pacino, some pussy hole, I know it when you go see the cliff. Can you see the big guns like this? Oh, I know some large shot like that. After run the rhythm shock, I don't know if the Katarock go good at shooting, or good for shot, you understand? See there? I don't call them from Birmingham, the large up boy, about armors and worldwide, they don't know if the Katarock watching them. Big guns we have, them too big, them can't hide. See there?
When we shot at them from New York, one more time, Bridget. All of the money right up front, the boy can't trip up and thump in the face. God finger in here. God finger. We say big up all the shot at them. Hey! Whoa, God! Hey, me not no time for waste. Take on the base. Black Cat over there, so Earthful over there, so Bounty Killer. Me and the nigga. What we gonna do?
Full job stiff. Why you figure that from we look over there?
Whoa!
Katarock!
Whoa!
You know if we put a foot over there. Hey yo, guys gonna die if we look over there. Hey yo, you know.
Yes, Bounty, see how we are. Depend my blood clot, son. I want to
your face, my feet.
I walk over.
Hey yo, what's
a chicken
plate. Some boy from Milwaukee to Tallahassee. Hey yo, Captain. Hey yo, Quincy, Hitman, Mind the Bad Cat, and Cliff.
All of me girls, tell them I get ready.
Why you figure that from
me look over there?
Katarock them off, put a foot
over there.
So now I feel that. Tell them say run break. Why we come to kill and them a say. So now we go there, tell them do it fast enough.
Hey, hold on, look there. Massive. Every selector in the business we have more. Panther go and like say female a blood clot gun. Black Cat have 3 main selector. See it because Black Cat have 3 main selector in Bex. You know the one named Stevie? Stevie start fuck Yunsi, so him chop off blood clot Stevie hands. So me I say, but watch it now. Him coming here, take up the mic and talk about who no suck pussy and who no this and Quincy face squeeze up and look like girl pussy. All of the man them right now, for you know so no girl now sit down in your face, brethren. No man now fuck if you not know where you wear. Why you put you in the ear? All of the man right now, for you clean the yard, you're the tuner.
Yeah, wanna see them bow. And them got out of a bow.
All them man friend and the bottom man here, family. Every man see a blood clot. Jump. Them and them dirty life. Them and evil life. And them not live. Wall.
Some of us burn it and us, them know some more fire and a dirty life.
I mean, let them know some more fire.
And I can't talk, you know, watching the Queens, the Jones, it man, all watching and let you go make it run. Spanish Town, man. Hold on. Them sure know me by now.
Yeah, that.
Wanna see them bow. And them got out of a bow. Chuck.
Request to me clean out the people again. Hey, tell them about the mic. Them and dirty life.
And them not live right. Go again. Them and dirty life.
Hey, father, he's a $5. Nice.
Them and them dirty life. Them and them evil life.
And them not live right. Them low. You see, because them say Katarock a young son, every man grudge because we have enough tune. All of the man wearing a bad mind right now.
Them bad mind.
Whoa! I'm big on the Jersey Queen of yours right now. Time, man. Yeah. Request to the people that wearing a bad mind for loyalty. Ready?
Them bad mind. Grudgeful. Them envious. And where them I go do?
Hold up. I play back to tune. You have too much damn ears in your ears. That's why you're not here right. Sit down. Where man? Too much ears in your ears. You're not here right now. But take out to my hearing them and call listen again. Ready again there.
Them bad mind. Grudgeful. Them envious. And where them I go do when that boom ya?
Whoa!
Them bad.
Hey, 15 minutes me I play fun. Don't me overplay my time. Watch my time there.
Them envious.
Well done.
Katarock.
Tell them.
I don't give a fuck about the son them where you kill around town.
Whoa.
The girls them love that song and them love how it sound. Stop the play and get the hell out of town.
All the man say I'm got 3 more to go. It's the black cat. Just the earth ruler. Me I got decide when me want to lock off. So bound to kill again.
Katarock and the sound bring me joy.
Whoa! We decide when me want them stop here. Father, do me a beg, you know. Just take time run us off me now, please. Yeah, man, do me a beg, and I'll just ease off right a little bit. Yeah, man, ready again.
Hey, yo, one time, Quincy Jones, question Cat, man in back, hit back.
Well, shut them from New York again.
Katarock and the sound bring me joy. Don't play to take and chop up a sound boy. We kill some sound, Quincy Jones and this. No sound future them boy and this track.
Whoa!
Katarock and the sound bring me joy. Don't play to take and chop up a sound boy.
Look, you know about Panther? We know about Panther because Katarock is a new sound. And him come up and we yard what they say, yeah, me Hitman and Quincy. Me I look at work on Katarock and I say, Panther, me hear from longer time say, boss, fuck you. And we no want a Batman for our sound, so see that the pussy will get vexed. Run, put the film.
Move them up, y'all.
Tell Blood Clot Panther say.
Batman war rights in march.
Whoa, God. Oh, request squad against them, not yours.
Now we're now.
I go New York, I go.
Somebody boy war rights
in march up and down.
Some me know the Katarock rise every gun.
Sure. How much more? One more to go.
We don't need them fun.
Yeah.
Tell them who don't take the coffee. Run down the gang, them ugly and pretty.
Find me last tune, Quincy. Take off this. Right now, I'm a grand finale to go right now. Can the man say a 15 minutes to do it. So take off that. What we going to play for the last show now? All right. Right now, the man them there, and the woman them there. And for my last tune, I'm going to play one girl tune. So request to all of the girls in the house right now. Katarock final tune, grand finale.
I'm going to jump up 500 acres and give it to all the girls for like Katarock sound. And another 500 acres that land for all the girls for a bunch of bands and come and left them out. Run it. Woman for down New York.
Request to all of the ladies them. Because the man them not big enough from night.
Bermuda.
Come girl them there.
There go me hand. You hold me back. We can't alright, you come to Lord.
Request call of a girl in the house right now. I mean, ladies, I look good. Never big enough. I mean, a Katarock there. I go.
Take me hand. Try to hold me back.
Say Katarock, you come from to the back.
Just take me hand. Try to hold me back. We put your bands and say we have them in cheek. Sure. How we play and how we rough them dance in cheek.
Hold up. And I'm a grand finale that.
Yeah. That was Katarock. Now Keisha, once again, in between the rounds, come and show the trophy. In between the rounds, Keisha, where are you with the trophy? Them tell me you were near. In between the rounds, Keisha. No rallying from RBM Promotion, big up yourself. Now Tropical Gardens, remember thing that the Thanksgiving night Thursday, November the 25th. It's first class annual anniversary. And remember the music of Studio One, Samuels and Black Star, check that out on Thanksgiving Thursday inside Tropical Gardens in Brooklyn. Alright, hold on, tune, hush. There were 3 sounds. One went away. One gone. Talk to me, promoter, quickly. But I just call her. I haven't seen her. Keisha, show the trophy one more time, please. I've been calling you. Hush. Quiet, man. Quiet. Empty barrels make too much noise. Quiet. I don't even know me now. Keisha, come and show the trophy again. Somebody step on the ring. Keisha, where the trophy? Show the trophy. But Keisha look like she is the trophy. For real. Keisha, show the trophy again, and for real. The trophy. That was the trophy. Okay. All right. Let's continue with the rumble. All right. Black Cat.
Yo, trip. Yo. Go put a trophy in my car at the door, father. We not a joke. No competition. Yo, no competition, massive. You know me, hold on, I dance a plan back for New York. You know who? Black Cat, the drop on these them, and base at this. It's a plan. Well, Katarock, and the last sound of blood clot, now I'm going to 2 chance, I'm not do nothing. Listen before the melody nice. This in cut tune for Black Cat. Well, look for a simple tune that we cut for killing blood clot.
What up? Black Cat, go get the clap because Quincy Jones keep and turn around and tell me about him bad. The mongo smell bad and if you go wash off some soap and pop hand to the bad, we see it nigga quick to pull it trigger. I'm a gunja.
This is Mali blood clot, boo. Listen in Donia, sir.
One time, your time.
Easy, you.
Hold on.
Lord of mercy, boy. Black Cat fly, come on New York, come kill Katarock.
Black Cat, bomba clot, wreck.
Black Cat, go get the clap because Quincy Jones keep and turn around and tell me about him bad. The mongo smell bad and if you go
Quincy Jones,
off hand to the bad, we see it nigga quick to pull it.
First class and cock up.
Big bad mighty rock.
Champion flight, suck your mama to dry out. What is some? All who's a Katarock dead, 2 and a year. 2 and a blood clot here. We have mercy,
Black Cat fly, come on New York, come kill Katarock.
Bomba clot.
You want one, what's an accident? You don't want to just know what to want. Ready? Get roll.
Yeah.
Hold on.
What do you blood
know what it means to taste the champion sound now. And what it takes to kill the sound.
Put your hand on yourself.
Trying to taste the Black Cat.
Put your 2 on New York.
The Black Cat.
Pull up, Miraz. Quincy Jones. Me are the experienced selector in here. Massive. Me a go back in a blood clot build more. Yeah, hello. Last so you know, we are go back in there. Blood clot do you. Straight in there.
We don't care what's in that. We don't care what's in that. The purple, the fucking black and purple, the fucking black and purple, the fucking black and
straight in there.
Don't stop your running with it, my brother. And I'm mercy. Black people moving on and stepping off the line. Ain't stepping off the other. Don't stop it.
Don't jump in. Don't jump in,
we don't care what's in that. We don't care what's in that.
See you
where? And I'm mercy the big one. And I'm mercy the bigger part. Miss Junior and Mr. Panther. Yeah, Mr. Chronicle. And I'm mercy Mr. Chronicle. And I'm mercy the bigger part of pop.
Go on now, Quincy, go fuck your mama.
And I'm mercy the big one. And I'm mercy the big whopper. Just pull up some boy face with copper. Don't stop your running with it, my brother. And I'm mercy. Black cattle moving on and stepping off the line. Ain't stepping off the line. Ain't stepping off. And I'm mercy. I don't know what make it start. It's somebody now dead for me gonna pop up. Block cap, come fi kill we know that you fit up. Love your mouth if it's war on.
I lose a Katarock dead no gonna know.
If somebody now dead for me gonna pop up.
Christiana tell them what a bigger judgment. So me tell them don't come beg we no pardon. And them will have heard them come beg we no pardon.
Don't jump up further, don't jump up.
And the best them go harden. Tell out the youth them can read my hand.
All who never stuck a pussy for them band. 2 and a year show Quincy.
Yo. So when you out, never get caught on them corruption out. But you know when you hurt.
Give me some value.
We not like that, not get cast out down in a Sodom and Gomorrah.
Pay batty man.
Sodom and Gomorrah. Fearless we are down in a Sodom and Gomorrah. Man a climb on man. Sodom and Gomorrah.
Katarock go home. Carry trophy come trace your pussy fat.
Down in a Sodom and Gomorrah. Be a confusion. Sodom and Gomorrah. Be a deceit.
It's all like that.
Yeah.
Who's that? It gonna kill sound, good love. Yes, we gonna kill them all over town. Shake the sound, we don't play around. Cover much ground.
Weird around it.
And getting paid is a forte. Each and every day to play away.
Quincy don't live nowhere in Jamaica.
Wow.
You're sleeping on a folk up down there, come out jump up.
And east side up to the west side, yes, to put some.
The one girl we have, every night, no go here, go fuck her.
We got some. Backing up the cans and fast when it comes to the class. Got them on them balcony, cock up a reach star. Those players some dub, some Indian, some boy a war. But for this and this and war, them should never go.
Black cat talks a who coulda never Mr. Wannabe. I go kill that free, make everybody say I do. People say just up and look like me. You are bounty too, and your friend not say. Who no wanna be me? We take them insect. To me text pen break. See them a impest. To me get busy.
Ross, we have done them as a tall man. We have done them.
Go singing Batman concept. Say good beanie.
We are telling you.
Object. And him go bamba.
Yo! You don't know what one.
Quincy and your brother.
Selassie, I send me for one. I don't know why you pack up and go on. Yo, black cat.
All who love God, put your 2 on here.
I don't know why you pack up and go on. Selassie, I send me for one. I don't know why you pack up and go on.
Quincy Jones.
Black cat son tonight.
Let me see if I run out of blood clot New York.
And go on. Yo, say to up the way, Selassie.
Me Ross. It's not Bunty, you know. This is Bunty and the world scare them. But remember the dancer Q Club, me not allow me to play with them. Listen to blood clot.
Hey yo, Black Cat. Hey yo, you ready for that? Hey, Nicolas.
90s.
Al Spanglers, yo, TG Jungle. Nana Mercy. Hey yo, see the man from Bronx, Brooklyn. Nana Mercy.
Katarock, go on now.
Vanderveer, FPK. Nana Mercy. We on that. Hey yo, bound to get alongside Harry Toddler. Nana Mercy.
Go on now, Katarock.
Mercy.
That's when you was a Black Cat and a shot in the
yo, 90s.
Look. On the run for Katarock there now. Go on now, you know.
Let's go, yo.
Black
Cat will kill anybody, enemy, this is what this money. This
panther, you gone at the cemetery.
Wait for Bounty.
And I say you sorry boy, we not take. Yes, Black Cat we kill anybody, enemy.
Quincy, welcome to the blood clot gun state.
The cemetery. This panther, and I say you sorry boy, we not take. Yes,
and some rotted gun we at the same thing New York man them say Black Cat
boy don't drop a pan and fire a hand.
We have a gun in a challenge. Well, we soul like and front man.
To divide and rule, it's their only plan. I am a fool. To overcome. Black Cat is king in this
jungle
city.
Give me some more mic volume, father, mic.
And so I've seen some sun boy fall. Then they stumble along.
Hey, Katarock, you can't come back. Cause we don't start playing no blood clot all through that. The hands are not dropping yet. Not dropping the Ross class yet.
Black Cat's on your John feels so high.
Nothing when I get a fire, so me burn them wall.
Burn all them blood clots.
So what's on? So from me see them, we know them. Then you would know I go choose them. Oh, from you then you know them. Black Cat listen to the way all them spoken. Oh, from me see them, we know them. Then you know them.
What a rustle.
To the way all them spoken. Panther, you know see about him on them.
Let's be on
them. I need them. Why? To me lotion them.
Katarock, look how kill easy. Not trick you.
Like them. When listen me again.
Get dead for first round.
Yeah. Them, the blood eye, them that grow, living like dogs and young crow. Them that grow, black up on them that grow, living like dogs and young crow. Them that grow, them living like pigs and crow. Yo. Black up the pundums and inside when the wind blow. Inside the size of the show and is the ice and I know. Even when say the others will deliver the show. Enough of them still go to blow. And all the wrong trumpet Brooklyn I'll go catch them a blow. And all the wrong boats we all go catch them a row. Come a little bit to grow. It's the one thing you know. It's what we see the sound.
You don't know more one more prophet. You know.
Yo. Say again, wrong with the people. Them get
caught in a cable. Go in a big tune box now, you see. You can finish off them pussy. Yeah.
Wrong with the people. Them get caught in a cable. Doing evil cable people. Wrong with the people. Them get caught in a. Yo, when we say just through the cable. So we find out enough of them not stable.
The rascal. Look what take place here now. Quincy Jones. Me lose half an hour. I'm not boy as father. Lose half an hour, man. Because I try to test Black Cat and Earth Ruler and worse. We lose half an hour to blood clot. So you know what up now? This is the real blood clot Black Cat, right? Yes or no?
Yeah, well, big up all crew. Saying all Black Cat crew, man like Panther and man like Poopa.
Request to all the crew, them large up.
New York crew.
One more than a pussy.
Big up all Canada crew.
Give it to them, New York.
One about in the place.
Where the lights are them there? Where the hand them there? Hold on. Baby, large up.
See, said I fell in love with Black Cat song.
All who's a Black Cat with the clash. Put the two on our ear.
Black Cat.
Put the two on our blood clot. Quick the Jones, go up.
Sound boy, want fit it.
You know me, I do two of them tonight. You remember all sing out now.
When we try this out.
Yeah,
whoa. We kill you with it, Black Cat lullaby.
Bomba clap.
Fanta.
Terry Lynn, I will boss him. I'm in judgment here, listen.
Long time, whoa.
No BS. Lick it, you say. Real Black Cat.
You talk about you play big artist?
Yes, sir.
Well, listen, big artist. Well, this is cool.
You run the place Sluggy. Ask Sluggy about Panther.
Step crap.
You come vice him first in New York. Where the end them there? Where the rascal and them there?
Black Cat are your room.
Where them there?
Select a see them a come.
Bumper clap! Pull up! Pull up! Too much sound, man. Ja!
Boy!
But no, them
you
pussy
can't
killer.
play big artist. Yes, sir. Well, listen, big artist.
Massive. It's only come play 15 now, drop that wall. We just give him the blood clad hands of them. We don't know a black cat hands of them tan, they're no pretty a blood clad. Hold on!
Black cat are your roots.
Ja!
Select a seed, them a come. But black cat are the conqueror. Select a seed.
Different blood clad cereal, find out you know.
To say that as a messenger.
Different blood. New York. Salute Panther. Salute the selector. Salute the selector. Salute the blood class selector. What do you mean? Welcome to the blood clan Gangster City, Quincy.
Messenger, same time traveler for years, pilgrim.
For you, you're secretary of band, so you just approved tonight.
Going around the world.
If you don't play in New York, you can't blood clan bad.
Well, let it run.
You play a Trillani and come here and jump up. Hear ya! Hear ya! Hear ya! All who's a black cat when they clash. 2 and you know.
She 37 fingers out the Bingy temple. Last time I sit up with no time for idle. Swinging in me, I'm up while the whole world I tremble. Sing the song.
Request one shot at them, yo!
Up in the hills where the rivers run cold. Bullet and Janga swimming down in my pool.
Stand up! One more loose up in the
You got to. Somebody don't know what to do.
Bumper clap!
A black cat don't link you with righteousness.
All the girls on the road, boy, salute!
Super trying to play the black cat, but in front and all the
Bumper clap! Final tune that! Where trophy the father?
Now them more 15.
Carry come here, son. Tyson will come in back. They're done that.
Forgot. Now, Katarock. 15. And then after that 15, the arms house broke out. I will tell you about it. Katarock. 15.
Katarock time again. Panther, you say you come for the trophy. The only trophy you're going to get tonight is for nice. That's the only trophy you're going to get for the amount of knives you're going to make. So me I say, right now, brethren, all who ready for see Katarock done the dance right now. Listen and listen, kill. You can't bag of knives now do it. Listen up.
Well, Katarock run things, man. One of a kind, man. Oh, my brethren Quincy now watching on face. Mine at Cliffy Catty watch your own. The brother you're dead tonight, man. Some boy, aye. One Sunday morning,
yo, why you want to black cat?
3 men juke me down.
Listen up.
Ask me what's my name.
New York, listen.
Early, one Sunday morning, 3 men juke me down.
Listen up, New York.
And ask me what's my name. I said my name is Sammy Dre Headlocks. And hear what they say to me.
Listen up.
Earth ruler, you bite the dust. Black cat say you bite.
Whoa! Yo, me never want more of that. All of the men who come on the dance right now for hear some big tune. Jurai! Yeah, Brooklyn Brood boy them right now. I got Bumbo Clad Organized. Oh! Oh, what the Bumbo Clad do him? I want to him.
The man called Quincy Jones.
I want to him.
Look at the face.
You think yesterday and today the boy don't want to take no date with Katarock. I just because find him a complain the food no far. He take the date. So sit down. Where? Yo, New York bad boy, I'm coming here again.
Some boy just stop to come in and come. Yes, I'm
What up? 15 minutes short and it have a spicy. Black cat, yeah, good on now.
Father be praised.
See and success to him. I want to tell Black cat this. I go.
You done get already.
Wall. What do him? Hey, Panther, yeah, you know.
Who tied Quincy Jones and Katarock and don't know enough?
After me tell him send done that already, yeah, me gonna tell him now.
Well, now Katarock play some brand new tune and some brand new artists. Who will bring cross? The number one artist, Shalom, Step Cross and Diddly Matter. More continuous jam.
Yeah, I know some Katarock man. Show them sound and run things.
You tell Panther.
The news.
Tell Panther, sir.
Katarock got the news.
I go.
Katarock got news for you.
Oh God.
Katarock got a dog for you. Katarock got a cool your sound.
Hey, hold on. As I'm saying, 15 minutes me I play. I'm gonna tell you something about sound clash business. You see now the sound thing, brethren. A whole heap of man try to fight your sound, especially when them know say your sound are going good. A whole heap of man try to bad mind you and envy you. All of the man them right now who no say, yo, you know bad mind, y'all clean. Put up 2 and a year. Don't play chill. 2 and a year. 2 and a year. Run through again. All the people have got a bad mind. Why we have done them here right now? Yeah, Brooklyn, I go.
And the more them try to kill me, then the
more we live longer. Raise up. Well, what do him? You think I saw? You think I run around? You could come around, son. Where do you?
Say them want more fire. Katarock use the fire and burn out, but the fuck of them. Say them want more fire.
Katarock a burn up the bigger fire. But that's when them no send down the sword, they say more fire. More fire.
I go.
Bigger fire. More fire.
Yeah, man.
Make it run Quincy, how them man some motion roll by.
Request to all the clean out the people from New York right now. Yo, Captain, I go.
And the more them try to kill me, then the more we live longer.
Hey, hold on. Look. You see Luciana? Luciana one good singer. Me hear the man play some Luciana a while ago. Them tune the sound like when Luciana hungry. I want to mix an exclusive Luciana for people.
Look here.
I go.
The way out the dancehall is getting uptight.
Panther, you see how man get father dance you without the bag of nice. Play some tune for the people and money when them play for me. What do you?
Region. But let it go. The mighty Javier.
Yes, Lucian.
He's a Quincy and Cat. Step on the righteous track, St. Cliff.
Request to all the man who have dance long time. I mean, Lucian up on the rhythm card foundation and see a voice. Let go.
The way of the dancehall is getting uptight. Baby.
Sure.
Every song I get baby face and well to fight. Ah yeah. But when Katarock busting and hey.
What up, Lushik? I am start jump. I mean, right now, New York. You see that tune I'm gonna play right now. I want the biggest forward for the night. Panther, if you find something like this right now, blood clot, me walk on the pussy clot cigar me yard. Glenn Washington, Scotty combination.
Rocker, a Scotty man. Let me read him selector.
Yeah, Brooklyn, I go. Yo, Panther, listen here.
No test me, no rush me, sound boy. You will get dashed down.
I got Brooklyn. I'm in big tune time, so I go.
Right now, well, every time a son what I to test Katarock, he gets a lot of beat.
Whoa, God.
Every time a son what
request to all of the man who go dance long time, brethren. It's about a musical niceness right now, so I go. Easy man about easy cliff, easy cat, large up and what the eye, the same. Sure.
Every time a son what I to test Katarock, his Dubplate are out of reasoning, daddy.
Well up. And so right now it's all about 15 minutes. You call 15 minutes nitty-gritty. So right now, Leroy Gibbons.
Katarock song.
Yeah.
The name of the sound. The name of the sound.
Sound Clash are growing at Club Lodge tonight.
Yeah.
Leroy Gibbons, defend the sound.
You should hear them saying.
Yeah, Brooklyn one, which sound I play? Leroy Gibbons, tell me which sound I play there. Sure.
Didn't you know the Katarock the sound is booming up Chilla on tonight? Didn't you know Katarock is the sound?
6 more minutes.
Alright,
Quincy, 6 more to go, Joy.
I say all night long, Quincy plays so hard.
Sure.
The sun comes up around. Putting all those idiots sound, boy, I say right down there to the ground.
I used to right now, the man say, yo, you only have 5 more to go. January go, hold up. It's right now, brethren. Requested to all of the man them who want to go dance right now and know, say, yo, we want to hear some new tune. Because in come the segment of the dance called new tune time again. So in come the combination thing called, listen up.
Hey yo, Katarock, motherfucking niggas should know that we never went to no sound clash. Hey yo, motherfucking niggas come here to crash. Hey yo, yellow, Quincy. Hey yo, yellow.
Earlier on, I play the tune and look into me eyes. See the part 2, you must say. Brand new Bounty Killer Baby Shark.
Slow mo. Hey yo, yellow. How many songs to die? 4 more?
All we need a real class on that tune right now. I got Baby Shark, Bounty Killer, combination style.
Hey, Katarock.
I go now, Brooklyn, I go.
Them's a war, them a bring, tell them that's not clever. Since a war.
Yeah, Brooklyn, well on, Brooklyn, well on. Well on, Brooklyn. Well on, Brooklyn.
Glad they spin, so tell them whatever. War, them a bring, tell them that's not clever.
Hey, when you ready for the big tune that done world class? Yeah, Bounty Killer, come in, come near tune you.
Glad they spin, so tell them.
Yeah, Brooklyn.
Well, everybody look, tonight them a go see. When Katarock sound, killing all them men.
Wall, playback, ready again. Bounty Killer, Baby Shark.
Tell them this.
Tell them.
It's a war, them a bring, tell them that's not clever. Since a war, then whatever. Lock all and fling them, can't miss you never. Glad they spin, so tell them whatever.
Tell them.
Tell them that's not clever. Since a war, then whatever. Lock all and fling.
Alright, Bounty Killer, your time again, Bounty.
Glad they spin, so tell them
Bounty.
Well, everybody look,
tonight them a go see.
When Katarock sound,
killing off him enemies.
Them not gon' get no ease when Katarock a squeeze. So me no care if them come in a 2 centuries. Katarock a stash, we come to take the cash.
I used to right now, I man only have 2 more to go before the MC. So without God due respect, I'm gonna play a big tune reaching out to all of the man them who know sound and know a good tune. Ken Booth.
Yes.
Request to all of the big man in the house right now.
Katarock sheltered we
from
a sound boy with Dubplate.
Request the 12 who come and sound class tonight. So I go.
He can play Dubplate all night long. That we all can understand.
One more to this one to go.
The finest dub I ever heard.
I'll tell you the vibes of my Mr. Kenbo Tinker, you know? Katarock sound to play every time.
We would give everything we own just to hear Katarock kill a sound.
I used to right now after tonight. At the last date, this is Black Cat. No sound, no lean, but we shoulder to get no boss. You see me I say? So right now, culture.
No. Come down with this tune, yeah. Quite a unanimous decision.
All of the people that will go dance, long time, brethren.
Katarock, you're on.
Culture.
You're not slack. Yeah. Cause anyway they see Katarock, they want a clash.
I mean, massive psycho.
And anyway they see Katarock, they want a clash. Me your companion, boy, he's off.
Pull up culture. MC.
Yeah. Now, arms those time. Yo, Twin Tom, big up yourself each and every time. No, Bentley, as one of the top cassette maker in Brooklyn and tune. Article respect for real. Yo, what it is for the next 15 minutes. Tune for tune. One turntable, one sound, the other turntable, the other sound. And then we know who belongs and get the trophy. Without further delay, Black Cat.
That's true, we have to take to your role, you know. Come on, forget trophy from a coming here. I want some boy, New York, how no build me? Yeah, man. I want the toughest little units at Jamaica. Style for them, I try style from a blood clot. They don't bother me. No, don't you know? Me, I don't know Katarock. Katarock, you know the class the Black Cat. What do you call it? Promoting about you want to go to world class? You never ready for blood class. You never ready for one good bad pan a splash. But you want to go. I mean, alone can't come defend back that blood clot. Hear this?
Well, this is Black Cat sound, man. And watch it. They call me Sammy Dreadlocks.
Where them at, do?
They call me Sammy Dreadlocks.
Talman.
I'm not a some boy I try to play.
Talman, I rank so nigga do dump. And there's a Black Cat trend there.
So man, we play a yard
and
play a
blood
broad,
clot.
So watch a some boy they are fresh, man. Cat, Fanta roll. Okay.
Put your hand here.
Cat, you are.
I lose a Black Cat with a clash. 209 blood clot here. 209 here.
Bad boy a fire M16. Policeman a fire AK-47. But black.
Pull up. What your name, father? Hitman. Better you go fuck, man.
Why would you? What is God? Panther. Don't fuck up your reputation like that, Panther. Don't do that. Why the hell you going to try both people for a fuck and next man for a fuck and next man? Come on, Panther, you've been to school.
If you want to do it, not do it. Yeah, listen to me.
I am not listening to you. So you think it, so are you. If you want to think like that, you go and do it. Right now, massive. If you say bad boy, I fire M16. You see me? Means a youth like this, me not preach badness. So me I say, boys, if it come down to the nitty-gritty, I will defend my blood clot self. Gangster tune, I go!
Good. Wicked fear scare them there. Quincy Jones holding Labo. Minor, the manager, big up all massive and crew.
Yeah, Brooklyn, I go!
Oh, yes.
Brooklyn!
It's hard to kill a champion, sound like Katarock.
Wall!
Yeah, we are one. Here massive back of me. Panther, me I warn you. Warn your blood clot. You can't warn all them a blood clot tune when New York Bill. You can't play this blood clot.
You'd like Milo.
You can't warn this. You can't warn this.
Them tune is not special. It's sample. See, Garnet still say that. I'm gonna take back chat. Rule them Black Cat. Rule them all the way. Whoa, yeah. Long ago have I told you the class shouldn't be so easy.
Pull up. Blood clot do you? Can trophy come? And this if you want, put on my tune. Put on my tune. Put on Papa tune by turntable. Put on my blood clot tune. I don't see any of your partner ass.
Long talking, we just get down in our business.
Boy, you want me?
Getting down to business.
Look, you want all veteran in business.
Rule them Black Cat.
All who say Black Cat win the blood clot clash. 2 here.
Whoa, yeah. Long ago have I told you
Talman,
the class shouldn't be so easy.
Request the Reggae crew.
Get some Dubplate will kill your own family.
Quincy Jones.
No, I know.
I don't want to tell you, you can't know that sound a bad sound till him buck up in a bad blood class sound. You play the Renaissance every day and think you're bad.
You wanna play by yourself, but rule it. Black Cat rule.
We out.
Hey, you have to give certain tune. You have to give certain tune. Them expected rate to them all forget. Cause a tune like that, if me in the crowd, me have to ball forward for that. But right now, I'm going to play Ranking Joe, Joe's the Wheel, Brigadier Jerry combination, run tune.
Little Ranking Joe, we go up on your toe, you know? The Colonel Outlaw Joe's the Wheel passing through. Dreadlocks stuff feel the way I boom.
Big up Garnet Silk and make you rest in peace.
Man, Quincy Jones was hold tight, Hitman, Wicked Face, respect Joe's last year, I know a tree they are doing. And the sound played is dead. Long.
We are Brooklyn, I got Brooklyn.
Long mercy. All the girls them proud.
Brigadier Joe's Wheel, Ranking Joe.
Well, okay now, it's against the law.
Whoa, God, what on?
And we don't dance like that anymore.
Yeah, what on, Brooklyn, what on?
If them can't do the Katarock dance. Long, ling, me say step on side.
Yeah, Brooklyn, yeah, me right now, yeah, me now, I go.
You do the Katarock dance. Ain't you happy?
Hold on, a 3 yard way, hold on.
Control the ball like Alan.
We used to them thing and the fighting.
Have them.
You now watch that, we used to that.
Yes, a Papa bring it coming like another soul.
Yeah, bring it here, I go.
We broke, Janu say we bowl. And when we are play football, we have to score a goal. So come down ranking Joe because you're big and you're bold.
Ranking.
Shiny girl is a trouble to a man. She want and she don't know where she want.
Hold up. We use them thing there. Panther.
When you call me again, say Mr. Panther. Pussy. Hold on. Or if you can tell me, say, hugging up against the law. So if I go my blood clot, girl, police will lock me up. What you want me to go up? You want Quincy? Suck on the mama. Yeah, me ball.
All New York crossing. Yeah.
Turn them blood clot.
Say ain't no sound that move me. Say ain't no sound that.
Pull up that blood clot. What is some boy? Pull up. Hey, there's someone with already from Quincy. What you doing with Katarock money? The amount of blood clot through me see your cut. What ended the last?
Panther, where you say you're playing a trophy? Massive. Big tune talk again. This is Babandi. Request to all the man who are going to dance long time. Ready?
When the world are getting involved with Katarock on the attack, you know. Well, he's a Quincy Jones, you know, start broke up certain boy bones. Now he's a wicked man, you go so it man, you don't know, say, oh man, flip and cat, you don't know.
Rubber dub, we have the original.
Oh, this is Babandi. Sure, sweeter than candy. Lego. You don't know it, bro. Okay.
Yeah, Brooklyn, I go right now.
Always on the attack. Here I come.
Yeah, Brooklyn.
A sound boy resistance is getting weaker. You just can't stand Katarock pressure.
Wall. Black Cat.
Father. Black Cat kill you in New York, Katarock. How are this father? Katarock. Black Cat a one long time veteran sound in a clash. You see we? A clash bill way. Me can't juggle a blood clot, so I'm going to play the red sauce there. Me play against the whole like blood clot bad, but I don't know if it juggle. You notice I one dub box we can't afford, pay a dub, but not a 45. But I want a blood clot as we head there, as we move. Moving a pussy. Hear that through there.
Come in, Mr. Brown. Original Brown. Original Brown. Barry Brown.
Bomba Clan! New York!
Look, my brother. Look what you see is coming on.
Pull up! Hey, we're trophy the blood. Promoter. More see blood clot trophy pull up your son now. The 50 minutes soon done.
Look, my brothers, look what you see is going on. Katarock a big sound. Black Cat, Panther, you're done, you wash up. It's because you washed up. Hear the tune, Babandi again.
Well, Katarock is the original sound. You hear me? We're going to bring them. No Babandi, step cross. Big up the man called O. You hear me? Wicked face on it, man, and the whole crew. See, I'm going to step forward now. Hey.
Yeah, Brooklyn, I go.
Legend. And leg of that.
Yeah, Black Cat, yeah.
Katarock sound boy, I don't want you around.
Whoa, God.
They have to fear. You mash them down.
Baba on the thing called To Experience, I go.
With sound so massive and so clear.
I go now, Baba, I go.
That you to experience to be taken from.
What up, Panther?
Hey, youth. You know why me around? Then post Black Cat never come my dance. You could have blood clot play for New York. What a brother, man. Hey, boy. It's not a blood clot tune now. I play with the water of a blood clot here. That tune, you're killing blood clot. I never tell you now. Listen to that tune.
For Bernice Wilson. Yes. Okay.
Katarock. We can't have the biggest blood clot tunes now. Listen. Listen to the tune.
Black cat. Kill a sound tonight.
Listen now. Listen now.
Promise me you'll never play Black Cat.
Pull up! Boom! Rick!
Panther joke tune that. Right now, I'm going to play a big tune, a bigger way you play right now. Because of the tune that we play while I got a joke. Michael Palmer!
You don't know what I'm there, you know? Original Diplomat and King. Michael P. see me. Set speed. Yeah.
We are Brooklyn, I go.
Lord of mercy. Michael P. man. Watch me.
We are Brooklyn, I am right now. I go.
Man, pull it up, man, pull it up now. Pull it up, man, pull it up, man, pull it up now. Katarock say you can pull it up.
Hey, watch it be a song, say you radio. Michael Palmer.
Because Katarock so nice, you've got to play twice.
Well.
Katarock, it look like you prepare fish to go home for Christmas. Blood clots, massive. You see when I lose shot I play, everybody goes so. Start. Listen it first. Go home now, Katarock. Go home now, Katarock. Go home now, blood clot, Katarock.
Greetings on the mighty name of Jah Rastafari.
Mr. Go up now, Katarock. The whole of New York done now. Go up.
And you're in tune.
Body selector, Panther, tough. So when it starts, everybody feel go so.
But easy Panther in the house. All kings and queens, all Rasta man.
I'm not cut that show there.
Check it out.
This is like I'm leaving. Katarock dead.
Hey, yeah. Well, trade will keeps on flowing. Black Cat keeps on playing. My sound keeps on going. I love. I never give up the fight. Just yesterday I am so for tomorrow.
Don't pull it.
And I trust and pray it won't bring brighter future. My life has been filled with ups and downs. Oh, oh. Sometimes I never knew which way to turn. Oh, but when the going gets right, the top gets going. Black Cat, never give up the fight.
Stand up! Hey, massive! You know I love that tune there. And now selector turn cover the blood clot Jamaica. When Black Cat go down, me down, then up. Me now left my blood clot song. I love Black Cat. I love Black Cat song. Play the song.
Yo, road boy, open up your ears and listen when next song I play, brethren. Me love the way you voice that tune, but me play it already. Me play that tune when me play Capleton tune. I say the more them try to stop, we are the more we live longer. And what do you? Hey, you see right now? Yo, you see right now? Me go play Sammy Dread, Buru Bantan in combination New York. Go go.
Cat and Cliff down mine and watch it, man. Oh, some boy is dead, man. Let off to man. Lick out them brain, man. A Katarock sound, man.
Yeah, Brooklyn, New York. I am right now.
They call me Sammy Dre.
Yeah, Brooklyn. Sammy Dread and Bull Bantan in combination. Listen.
Why? Cause when you think we weak, you don't know Katarock in strong.
All of the man will go dance long time. When you ready for Bourbonton right now? Yeah, Bourbonton, I go.
Lord, hey, it's like here Ribby Bang come, Ribby Bang skank.
Wall! Sammy Chet, Bourbonton combination, Black Cat.
Welcome to them kids there, man. Go and get some ice cream. The blood clot fever dopey. Promoter, my blood clot trophy now. I done him yesterday. I'm not playing more for nothing. King everyone say.
Remember one other time for your principal. Deal with it.
Black cat, I go shame them.
Yeah. Bumbo clot.
Black cat control them.
Sure.
I know. Black cat will make you cry.
Put up. We're not going no further. Promoter, come up here, sir. Come up here, sir, promoter. Line up my one show, brethren. When I walk out my blood clots, say, no win. Pussy clots. New York, all who love Panthers, the Panther win the clash 2 and a year. Okay. You know what you're going to do? Young Quincy hug up and play and kiss and rub up. We don't set a batty boy.
Black Cat I got shame. Oh. You shame Red Rule like them drop out from early. Master Griffiths.
Big up Wicked Face, Quincy Jones, Hitman, Mana, Cliff, Cat.
Yeah, Brooklyn, I go right now.
Hitman, next song boy, feel it.
Anyone want to Black Cat in here tonight?
Katarock gonna kill you tonight.
Well.
Quincy, yo. Well, I don't want to strive in our music, not play Panther Father. Because anybody may kill and cripple and come. Who you can't kill now in New York for really come back? I see all these fan posters, I'm sorry for you to ask. What are this? Massive, I'm not biased. Hold on, when it comes to big blood clot show, I give these ratings. Them are them bad no blood clots. So nobody come.
Don't move. 5 more tune each. Okay?
All right. He might try to stretch you out. I don't know where up to. I didn't think me know when this blood clot play, you might not, no more might not play, because everything will drop down. I'm going to play the second verse. That's the first verse.
Chronicle. Watch it, Gary. Sunshine.
Yeah.
What I do to people dead. Yes.
Yeah.
Now she goes out to the man.
Blood clot, pull up. Front up. Blood clot, yo.
Pick up a status. I think I'm for the girl. Listen.
Bless Quincy. You can't manage Panther pussy.
It's forever changing time.
Quincy, you're not true alone with the clash now. You have to have experience. You used to play my old son, the Roadstar. Where there? Fuck off, you're long now. You make me feel a crank. Yeah.
Watch out, young people dead. Yes. Please.
New York.
She goes out to the man.
All who love Black Cat, be 2 and a year.
Sir, can you help me?
Pull up. Them play Barrington leave already, so I'm not play mechanical. Come in now, this him. I'll do the true, the flap. Because if me never play all the chronicle part. Massive. Katarock and Blunt Posse a play. See? Big sound, Blunt Posse and Katarock. Sunday, October 31st. That's tonight. Yeah, man. The year 2 years sitting. See, Brazil, where venue they know. Yeah, man. That's Sean's Villa. See? Boston Road. Near, in the Bronx. Yeah, man. Big dance. They used to say Panther can't read. St. Ange Technical I graduated from. I love music. Sank the mama till she bleed out.
Or for me, 4 more. You just said 5. Alright, my 5 now. Me have 5 left. Alright. You see right now, Katarock is an exclusive sound and I have to play an exclusive tune like this. Run tune, Ed Robinson.
Minor, big respect, y'all boy, can we come for kill right well. You see me, alright?
Yo, New York, I am right now, I'm Black Katarock. Yo, Panther.
Some boy cry, Katarock take these dubs off away.
What is that? Katarock take the dubs off me or the buns off me or what? Father, straighten out your children when you come and work. A big clash. Who this you say? Who is this? Blood clot. I tell you that tune is big for Katarock, man. Wait till when we play at these them and the Japanese them play that tune, man. Now play against it. Yeah, play the man, play. Baby them.
Murderation, killing solution, Black Cat and all the
yeah, the blood clot tune.
Anything
Leroy blood clot, them tunes.
Papa, Prince
you know that tune, Katarock. Sit down.
Leroy simply step up. No, one beat to the Katarock. Say what? Black Cat.
Katarock, me think you have tune. You know no tune, Katarock. Somebody tell you something, Katarock.
Black Cat gonna fight them hard, yeah.
Black
Cat gonna fight.
Salute, baby, I'm black. Large up.
Yes.
Large up.
Black Cat gonna fight.
Bomba clock. Stop the tune. Come in, set a punk.
You have to stop it. You have to stop it. Yo, New York. Just when you play exclusive tune, I respect F2s, you know. I respect them. But you have to play a big exclusive tune like this. Master Griffiths. Babanding combination. Buckler. Yeah, Brooklyn.
Right.
Hey, Black Cat, lock up and go up and go up.
Tonight, a sound was gonna.
Whoa, God, hey, what a weird for Master Griffiths.
Hit them right between the eyes.
Yo, New York, listen to some tune here. We need a boogie yaga thing. Tune for tune this.
Feeling a sound, boy.
Hey, Master, come tell me what to Black Cat tonight.
But it's alright with me to kill a sound.
Wall.
Quincy. Hold on. One thing me love clash of New York. Uno don't bias. Quincy, you see it? Now go back and Jamaica tomorrow go say people are biased now. You get a fear kill, father. Because when you play a slightly good tune, them give you 1 3 finger. So don't go back down.
Don't pen from them case.
Don't pen from them. Yeah. Remember this? No BS in your
No.
Bomba-clad!
Can't test Black Cat, and you know now.
Bomba-clad, pull up! Ross! We have one more. I mean, I beg you one DJ tune for my last tune. Come on now, come on fire and don't play the anthem. Yonze, give me the anthem. Katarock.
Yeah. Compadre BF. Everybody in the house respect Dan Penn. Dan Penn a good artist. Yeah. But me I go play the artist. We have fuck Dan Penn in our pussy right now. Run that tune. Anthony.
Left to the head, right to the body, and the guys backing up against the wall. Right to this, left to the head against my Katarock.
Yo, New York, I go.
Right hook, and he's backing up against the wall. Katarock has got him in his corner.
New York.
Right cross to his head. Hey, I'm just the sun.
One.
What a big tune.
Go on, father. Take out your rascal out here. No fucking use. Yo, massive. Sure, I'm just finish it out still. You see that tune now? This is our next anthem. Lego Emmanuel.
A same place where I left for no same place where I bury no. Now deep bro.
Katarock, you cut about 40 tune with Black Cat name tonight. And you come dead. You know shame. Hands up. Hands up! How's the Black Cat win? Hands up! A Black Cat win the clash 2 and a year!
Look it. I heard you planning to attack me, sound boy.
Run that! Original big sound. Katarock.
But you buck up in a hardcore Black Cats.
Black Cat have 1, me have 2. Alright. Right now, me go play a tune where say it's all about exclusiveness. Me go play a tune like this, requested to all of the man who know say your father never doubt on yourself. Freddie McGregor.
Play, and as the dance goes on, we feature the big bad sound called Katarock in the place, saying. The other man called Cliff, the one called Quinn, say this is Freddie McGregor. All girls, Freddie McGregor and the dance. Yeah, we.
Yeah, Brooklyn, yeah, we're going right now.
So watch this.
All of the man that try to proud of yourself, bro. Now follow through this. I go. Which blood clot trophy you want, Colin? Go ahead, you play and forget no trophy. Ready? Yeah, Brooklyn, yeah, me right now. All man are proud of themselves. I go. Pull up.
You with this? Cause you think of shit like crab. Win what? Massive. Anybody know what? I got done my run now with Sluggy. The big, anytime I play from Billboard, I'm go for the youth and cut him. Enough boy, I'm going to Sluggy bad enough. Enough of them blood clot that jump on bad way. Listen to blood clot Sluggy here. Katarock, you're not big in that business yet.
Oh, there is an anytime Sluggy. Me say, where we say.
Forget what they think about the next nigga.
Katarock!
It's nothing but reality. It's nothing but reality.
Katarock!
Black Cat play for the people there.
Yeah.
Black Cat I play for the people
there. I know.
Just tell me, ooh, I go hold it back. Black Cat sound, you done bust.
One more clap, pull up. Done with the pussy clot. Suck out of the mama pussy.
Panther, done it done. Suck my mama for me, Panther. Yeah. Cause you suck everybody at Jamaica, Panther. Continue. Come suck all the whole of New York to your face, it post hole. Massive. And me first play Sluggy and get forward. And him follow. But am my final tune this? Brethren, me don't even remember which part me go voice that tune ya. Massive, me want to listen this and listen it good. Erica Badu, only play by Katarock, Dubplate. Look at me tune.
Yo, Brooklyn.
Hey, you couldn't listen, you know. Couldn't listen for yourself. Erica Badu.
Laying it down for my sound, Katarock. Big up to Hitman and Quincy.
Hey, now you move out.
Minor Cliff and Cat. We kicking it here.
Where do you?
Just letting you know.
Hey, listen to New York. Listen.
I'm sensitive about my shit. Katarock killing LP. Dark real love, you don't.
Whoa!
Quincy. Minor Cliff and Cat. Yeah. We kicking it here.
What a finger you say?
Letting you know.
Suck on yourself. Hey, you do ya? Ready again.
And I'm sensitive about my.
Don't big like this.
Katarock killing LP. Dark real love, you don't play nothing. On and on until the break of dawn. So every time you come.
What a night. What a night. No. What a night. Eh? Yo, Steve Austin. You say that right? Yeah. Oh, Steve Austin, you wanted on stage. The promoter, I am TC. Second, nobody ever move yet. You can never know what can happen. You can never know what can happen. You know what, Steve Austin? You know what? Steve Aston. You made the rules, you made the decisions. The DJ's go by the decisions. You gotta call somebody out. Sharp. You have the trophy. Steve Aston, finish the program. Let them know.
I love you, I'm my wife, I love you to death. All of the crew them, enough big up. Keisha, come present the trophy. Panther, come here. Jonesy, come here. Sin. You hear me? You hear me? Here we go. Hold on. It gives me great honor and respect for even bring on the down there, seeing Black Cat. I may tell you, enough respect. Panther, Jonesy.
Wagwan ENT.